What's up, everyone? Tuesday. Let's get on to it. I see everyone in here. I say QM. I see Jimmy. I see Fur. I see Kenneth. I see Jazz. I see Chrisek. I see Anna. I already drank my orange juice, Anna. My orange juice is already in the stomach, so we're good to go. So I'm pretty hyper right now. So what is Bitcoin doing? Well, it's actually dumping right now. We were actually I was thinking about changing my title on the stream today, and actually Bitcoin was actually above this resistance line as I was making the title, and then I decided no, you know what, I'm not going to get too ahead of myself, and now we are actually dipping back down to the downside here, back about 54,800. So obviously we have another daily close that's going to be coming up in about an hour now. So it should be another interesting day. Let's get on into the hourly and 4-hour Bitcoin analysis, because we got a lot of things going on here. So basically, we got this downwards resistance line, right? Look, going all the way back up here from the 65K area. We got resistance on this once, twice, 3 times, and you guys can see we just got resistance on it again. We actually wicked right up to it and then came right back down. So that is kind of our next resistance we have to get above. But what is going to happen here? So if we zoom in a little bit more, you can see we have big support at this about this 54,400 level, right? You can see all the support you had on it through back here, and you can see this was your previous resistance back in this area, and now you have now flipped it as support, right? So what's going to happen here is you're going to get squeezed in between this resistance and this support here, right? And you got to, Bitcoin's got to make a move, or to the upside or to the downside pretty soon, right? This is technically has to break out by tomorrow at some point, but I do expect a move probably sooner than that, just because when Bitcoin gets that tight in a range, you usually see either a big green dildo or a big red dildo pretty shortly after. So we'll have to see which direction we actually go. I do expect us to probably move up here for a couple different reasons. If we actually go to the hourly chart, you can see that it's even more pronounced in the hourly chart. You can see we have the downwards resistance here, and then our hourly support level, which has been our support on this recent bounce, right? As you can see, we've gotten nice bounces off this hourly 4-hour EMA, and right now, look at how tight we're getting in here, guys. We're getting super tight in between this EMA and this resistance. So I do expect to see a move, if not during stream today, pretty damn soon. We're going to get squeezed in between these two very important levels. So we'll see what happens here. But like I said, I am expecting a move on stream today within the next 3 hours or so. I think we're going to see it probably when we get that new daily open in about an hour. So we will see what happens. Our hourly RSI was getting a little overbought here, but we've actually cooled it down a little bit. So now we have some room to run to the upside, which is really, really nice, right? We don't have that much room, but we got some room, right? We're the highest on the hourly RSI we've been since April 13th, when we got that, obviously, our all-time high. So we'll see what happens there. But like I said, I am expecting a move up from this point, just because the momentum right now is up, and we have pretty good support on our hourly EMA there. So that's really the 4-hour and the 1 hour. We're going to watch that closely during the stream today to see what we get. But it looks like Bitcoin, as of right now, doesn't know which way it wants to go. So we'll have to obviously wait and see. Steven said, I smell a big green dildo on the daily and on our open, on our future. Yeah, definitely. Me too, man. I'm definitely expecting a pumped up to the upside. Guys, if we could spam up those likes, let's try to keep the likes half of the viewers, right? So we got 400 viewers in here so far. Let's try to get up to 200 likes on the stream. That would be pretty friggin' awesome. You guys can see our daily 20 EMA, which you guys know is what I like to see on our kind of midterm. Which are we bullish or are we bearish midterm? Kind of depends on if we're above our 20 EMA. Right now we're below it, right? We got a quick wick above it after falling below it here back on April 21st. You guys can see we got a quick wick above it here, but we're getting some resistance at that general level, which sits at about 54,870. So I'd want to get a close above 54,869. If we don't, that could mean we could be in due for a little bit more of slight downwards price action, at least on the daily time frame. So that's what I'm kind of looking for here. So we'll see if we can get obviously higher price action. If we close above this, I do expect another green candle to come. Now, if we close below it, I mean, I am probably expecting a little bit downwards price action. How low? I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't think anyone knows actually how low we can go here. I don't expect us. The amount of buy pressure we got on this daily candle, I don't expect it to go back down to this 140-day EMA. But though we always have to keep that in mind, right? We always have to keep that in mind because we've came up to this EMA before and actually gone lower. If we go back in time here, you can see we did a similar thing here where we came back above it, right, for a little bit, and then we dipped back below it, came back down. We kind of did a similar thing. We came back above it here, came back, and then continued up. So it is always likely you get kind of a cool off period before you actually get back above it. We did a very similar thing back here, is when we dipped below our 20-day moving average back in June. We came back up, came up to it, came back down a little bit, made like a double bottom, and then kind of continued. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We definitely could see some type of W formation form here, maybe. Where we get maybe a rejection off this, come back a little bit lower, and then continue up. We kind of make a little W pattern here, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, guys. We obviously got to wait for that daily close to kind of confirm everything, but we'll see if Bitcoin can get that close above 54,870, or if the whales want to do their old Leonardo da Vinci drawing below the EMA. What's going on, David? Smash that like. Can you do a fib on EGLD? You got it, my man. You got it, my man. Thank you for the super chat, dude. I will get to that as soon as I get to the super chat. But yeah, so that's kind of Bitcoin on the daily. The weekly still looks good. Weekly, you're still holding that 10-week moving average exactly like I want to see. Obviously, like we want to basically close the week above 52,684, and I would still remain pretty bullish in the. More of the, obviously, I'm just going to remain bullish in the long term, but this is more of a medium term thing too. As long as we close this week above that blue line here, I don't expect to see lower prices. But I would like to see a weekly engulfing candle here. If we can get back above this previous red candle at 56,476 and create a bullish engulfing candle on the weekly, that would be super bullish. But we'll see, obviously, if that happens. Not much else going on with the weekly here. Stock RSI is actually still in the same spot because we haven't got that weekly close yet. So still waiting on some more data on the weekly there. Quick news thing here is obviously the Bitcoin options market is 4.2 billion in expiries on Friday. We'll see if this has a big impact on the market, guys. I don't know if it really will. But as we did talk about in the stream the other day, I did say the max pain was 47K, but it's actually 54K. So the whales could try to keep the price as close as they possibly can to 54,000 until Friday, because that's when both the shorts and the longs both lose out on these on these contracts, right? So we could see the price until Friday kind of remain kind of where it's at. Maybe fluctuating between 53,000 and 55,000, somewhere in that range, until for really the next 4 days or so. So don't be surprised for that if we see kind of obviously that kind of price action. But like we've been talking about, guys, the majority of people that have these contracts, if you look at this chart here, actually had Bitcoin being at $80,000 at the end of this month, right? Check Crow PLZ. What's going on, Hanabu? Yeah, I'll check out Crow for you, my man. But yeah, the majority of people in the market on this actually had longs. A majority above had really them above 60K. But you can see the majority of them were 72,000, 76,000, and 80,000. So, and a bunch at like 84,000, 88,000, 100,000, 120,000. Everyone was super bullish. We'll see if we get maybe a big pump at within the next couple of days too. That's obviously an option, but the max pain price, obviously 54,000. That's probably where we end up by Friday. So that is really that. Today we need big green DLDOO coins SSF. We need huge green dildos today. Absolutely massive green dildos. Absolutely massive green dildos today. Green dildos, if I can talk. It's the orange juice, guys. It's got me hyper AF. But yeah, I'm doing pretty good, Bruno. I can't complain, man. Can't complain, dude. Busy day for me today, but I cannot complain, man. But yeah, so 2628 for ETH. ETH has kind of got this resistance line coming across here. 1, 2, 3. Obviously, you connect the wicks and the candle bodies for these. But you can see the general resistance line coming up here. You got rejected off of it after making another all-time high today for Ethereum. So I got to give it up a little bit.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Another all-time high for Ethereum. We actually got not up to 2,700. We got up to about 2685 on Coinbase. So that's pretty freaking awesome, guys. I love seeing these new all-time highs. It's been a while since we started seeing these all-time highs for ETH and Bitcoin. Actually, for ETH we actually got it a couple days ago. ETH just kind of continues just to put all-time highs in, which is pretty funny. But yeah, we basically got to get above this line here, which if we went straight up right now sits right around like 2677 for Ethereum. We got to break that line to continue up.
Can you please take a look at Modich and tell me your opinion on when to leave? Love
Yeah.
the show.
Nicole getting dirty in here. She said, I take any dildo right now. Damn. I thought Jazz was the only dirty one in here, but we got Nicole in here dropping dimes too. Yeah, so Ethereum, next targets we can really be looking at for Ethereum if we do continue up here, which obviously I do believe that we're going to continue up. We take a look at our last big, let's take out our fib extension tool. Take a look at our last big level here. You take from our top to our bottom, and we kind of extrapolate this up to the upside. Let's see what our next target is for ETH.
Showing support. My first month in crypto. What a ride.
Thanks, my man. Appreciate the support, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are always awesome on here. So yeah, technically your next resistance for Ethereum right around $3,000, guys. Right around 3K, right? And in actuality, it's 3,019. But right around that 3K psychological area, that's going to be our next move for Ethereum based on the Fibonacci extension target. So I'm going to keep that up there, see if we eventually make our way up there on this next big impulse as soon as Bitcoin decides to wake up, right, guys? So that is kind of Ethereum. We're kind of waiting just on Ethereum to kind of break that resistance. It always is possible if Bitcoin dips that you could come back down to around this 2,550 area. That's always a possibility too, so not rule out. I don't know what. Not quite. We're not getting too dirty yet, but yeah, don't be surprised if we come back down to this 2550 area too. All right, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's give it a quick refresh to make sure the info's up to date here. Obviously, Bitcoin up 3% today. Ethereum up 4%. Binance Coin up 8%. Binance Coin having a hell of a day today. We'll take a look at the charts next, guys. XRP up 6%. Tether up a whole 0.01, guys. Tether's going to the moon, guys. Down 0.01, I should say. Cardano up 6%. Doge. All the Dogers. Come get some Safe Moon, hat. I did the Safe Moon. Why did I do Safe Moon? Polkadot up 4% today. Uniswap up 4%. Litecoin up 7%. Bitcoin Cash up 5%. Chainlink up 6%. And my boy VeChain, all the VeChain lovers, I know I'm putting a lot of people on VeChain. VeChain back up 10% today. We're seeing it back over 20 cents, just like that. Whoever bought that VeChain dip when it went down to, what did VeChain? I think VeChain got down to like almost 14 cents, I believe, right? Yeah, right around 16 cents. Whoever bought that dip, man, there you go, dude. Finally get on some VeChain on some cheap price. And like I was trying to tell people, when this thing bottoms out, you want to buy these dips, because when these things bottom out, they're going to pop up really fast, and you're going to pretty much double up your money for a lot of these altcoins that dropped about 50% or so. So exciting times. I'm glad I'm seeing a lot of positivity in the Discord again with people making money and everything like that on these dips. So that's what I've been trying to preach to you guys on these dips, to buy them. All right. So let's check out Binance Coin. That's up 8% today. Binance Coin is, I already had the chart up here, so I was ready to go. A nice symmetrical triangle here, right? We now got 3 touches on the top, 3 touches on the bottom, almost perfect symmetrical triangle here. I'm actually going to get rid of this EMA here. There we go. perfect symmetrical triangle here, and I do expect you to break to the upside on this one. Obviously, you got to be biased because you're coming from the downside, and when you're coming from the downside, that is bias, obviously, to break to the upside on these symmetrical triangles. So if we take our top to our bottom here, take it from the bottom there, and we extrapolate this to the upside, it's going to give us a potential target here for Binance Coin of about 770. So Binance Coin looking pretty freaking good, guys, in the 4-hour chart. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to freaking lie. But obviously, if Bitcoin gets rejected, guys, look for Binance Coin to probably move back down to the bottom here, which would right now be somewhere around like the 520 mark. Not quite 420, right? 520. So 769 is probably my next target here for Binance Coin. Binance Coin looks really freaking good, guys. XRP up 6 today. Let's check out XRP. XRP. I don't know why that always pops up like that. It's getting a little crazy in the charts here. But XRP, like, it really was like once you broke this resistance coming down, it's pretty much like, yeah. Once you broke this resistance coming down, like you used to really started moving. You guys can see you bounced perfectly off your 4-hour EMA here, and I'm expecting another move up here for XRP. If you actually take your Fibonacci, you take your top to your bottom here, you can see you got rejected at your 0.5 Fibonacci. So your next target for XRP. Thank you, Travis. Appreciate it, my man. I try not to be too much of a moon boy or too much of a bear. Though I am obviously in crypto, so I try not to be too moon boyish, even though I'm a huge crypto fan. But it's tough sometimes. It's tough sometimes. All right, XRP. If you can break this current level that you kind of get rejected at, next level is 155 to look at as far as your Fibonacci extensions, and also your previous support back here. So get back above that. XRP looking super freaking bullish as well. Everything looking bullish after this pump up, guys. Cardano up 7%. See what Cardano's doing. Some of these bounces are pretty insane. Pretty insane in the last couple of days. Like, as fast as you went down, you're actually going up faster, which is actually really insane, guys. Same thing for Cardano. It was like as soon as you broke this kind of resistance coming down, you were gone for Cardano. And Cardano has a very, very similar chart to XRP, where it's now above its 4-hour EMA. If you go to the hourly time frame, Cardano looks like it's actually coiling up for a pretty big move here on a looks more like a, hold on, let me get this set up here, like that. And the bottom looks like you might actually be breaking out right now for Cardano. So Cardano could be seeing some big moves in relative short-term time frame here. It looks like Cardano is actually breaking to the upside as we speak on this hourly symmetrical triangle. Obviously, it's not a huge symmetrical triangle. It's on the hourly chart, but it should give you a decent target here for Cardano if you do continue up. If Bitcoin doesn't take a major dump, you should be seeing a 136 Cardano, at least in the short term. But Cardano obviously looks pretty freaking good, guys. Pretty freaking good. I'd say your next resistance, like after that measured move of 136, yeah, it's probably up here, about 139, and then it's really your highs. After that, it's literally your highs coming up next for XRP, or for Cardano, guys. So Cardano looking always really freaking good. Let's see. Yeah, guys, if you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys subscribe, all right? I'm here every day from 7 to 10 Eastern Standard Time. So, fortunately, a lot of you Californians, I'm probably streaming what over there? Between 4 and 7. I guess it's not bad hours over there either. Not too bad of hours. All right, let's go to Doger. Captain Doge. I got to get Doge out of the thumbnail, guys. Like, I put Doge in the thumbnail when it was hot, but like I got to get Doge out of there, guys. Sitting right at 27 cents right now. Obviously up 1% today. Let's check out Doge real quick. Doger. Market makers are short it because everyone longing. Pretty much, man. That tends to be the case. So Doge actually does something that usually never happens. You actually broke the symmetrical triangle to the side. That's pretty funny. You usually don't see that, guys. Especially for a coin as volatile as Doge is. Let me get the horizontal line here. So if you actually look here, Doge is still making higher lows.
Market makers will shortly cause everyone money.
Pretty much, man. So Doge is still making higher lows here. Getting rejected at the top side. Looks like an ascending triangle pattern to me. It definitely looks like an ascending triangle pattern to me. You're right at that support right now. So you don't want to go any lower. You're trying to hold that 4-hour EMA and also hold the support too. So if you go any lower, could be a little bit of a bad time there for Doge. If you take your measured move here, if the ascending triangle pattern does end up playing out, it's going to put you upwards of about 34.9 cents if you do continue up here for Doge, which I do expect you to, honestly. As much as I talk crap about Doge, I do expect it to continue moving up just because, like, it's Doge. It's Doge. The hype around Doge is real, guys. As much as a meme it is, like, you got to actually appreciate the pretty loyal fan base that Doge actually has. Like, I was expecting when Doge got into this area, it was going to have a pretty big dip, but it's actually held up really friggin' well. So I'm not even going to lie, all you Dogers out there, it's actually holding up pretty well. Let's do Polkadot real quick. Let's get through these top 10 coins. Polkadot. What's going on with Dot? Dot, man. Hold on, this is not the right Dot chart. That one always wants to pop up for me. Polkadot. Let's do BitCub. No. Dot Tether. There we go. There we go. There's the right Dot chart, guys. We're good to see here. All right. Dot. Looking really good. Bouncing off your 4-hour EMA here. Let's take a look at it. Do we have any type of pattern maybe going on for Dot here? Did we break a resistance? Let's see. No, we're right at a resistance. You guys can see here. For Dot, you got 1 touch, you got 2 touches, you got 3 touches. You're about to break that resistance. You break that resistance, you're most likely at least going back up to your first touch here at 38.66. So Dot not looking too bad there. Dot, it's right at resistance. Looks like it's poking its little head above it. So we'll see if that breaks it for Dot, but Dot looking pretty bullish too. Let's check out Uniswap. That's up 3% today. Uniswap. I'm actually going to turn on my RSI. I'm not sure why my RSI is not on. I definitely need that. There we go. Uniswap. Hold on. Uniswap on Gemini. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so Uni's in a particular interesting position because Uni is actually past its all-time highs already, right? And it looks like it's similar to Cardano, where it's in an hourly symmetrical triangle, right? If you zoom in here, yeah, pretty nice. Pretty friggin' nice. I don't know why this chart here is all kind of messed up, but I mean, the point still stands. Nice little consolidation pattern here for Uni, and I do expect this to continue up as well, as long as we don't see Bitcoin take a major dump on the market, right? Uni can continue up this run, it's already at its highs. Let's take a look at Uni's price target out of this. If this does break out, it's going to put Uni all the way up here at about 42.63. So Uni, guys,
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Could be breaking out to new highs there, upwards of $42. So Uni looking pretty freaking nice as well, looking juicy for that big green dildo to the upside. All right, let's do Litecoin. Last one. Litecoin's still kicking Bitcoin Cash out of that top 10. So you guys better keep investing in Litecoin to keep it out of the top 10. Let's keep Bitcoin Cash out of the top 10. All right, guys, seriously. Let's keep Bitcoin Cash out of there. All right, Litecoin. Man, Litecoin loves this hourly EMA, huh? Look at this, riding that thing to the death. Let's see. Yeah, so Litecoin just riding that up. What is Litecoin doing here? Yeah, I mean, I don't really see any resistance you're at right now. You should, in theory, I guess you got some resistance looking left from back here in April, right? A bunch of resistance back here from April, support back here from April. If you do continue up here, which I do expect you to do, honestly, is 284. That's your next target. You're not so much in a pattern per se, but you're just in a continuous uptrend on the 4 hour. Look at all these green dildos, little small green dildos. These are like little inchers making their way up here. Let me get that one going. All right. So that's Litecoin. We finished the top 10, guys. We have finished the top 10 coins. Let's go check out what BTC is doing. We got 32 minutes until our daily close. BTC is sitting at 55,055. So it's still right in the middle of that range. Let's wait to see what BTC does. ETH looks like it's going back up.
Thanks.
You got it, my man. Priest production on Crow, please. You got it, dude. All right, let's start some of these super chats here before I get too far behind. Thank you guys for the super chats as always. David Ross said, smash that like. And can you do fib on EGLD? Absolutely. Guys, smack that like button. Let's try to keep the viewers to like ratio at 50%. So let's get up to 500 likes. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support, guys. It really helps out. All right. So you want the EGLD, and you wanted the Fibonacci targets on EGLD. I actually haven't looked at EGLD yet today. So let's see if let's see where you're at for EGLD to start out with. EGLD. Yes, EGLD, you broke this nice resistance line coming down there. Broke this nice resistance line coming down. You actually came back down, back tested your previous resistance as new support, and now it looks like you're continuing up. So if you take a look where you should be going next, you take from your top to your bottom here. I'm gonna count it from this wick. I don't know if I should count the wick. Yeah, actually, not counting the wicks actually makes a lot of sense in this case. You can see your first initial pump up. You went right to your 0.5, and this one you went to your 382.
Jordan, any chance you can check out the graph? Thanks.
Yeah, I can check out the graph, man. The graph. Yeah, so your next target should be these tops right here, your 0.5 fib, 195.97, and then after that. Man, these fibs actually fit perfectly with support and resistance. They really do. Should be 207.23, your previous support from April 13th and April 16th. So those are your next two targets there for EGLD. But EGLD looks like it really wants to start going. Obviously, if we start getting closer to its highs, we'll start looking at our next, obviously, Fibonacci extension targets. But until then, EGLD is looking really good. All right, let's see. What was next here? We had EGLD, and then we had IUPOT, my super chat, Cherry. Let's check out Crow for my guy, Hanibu. What's going on, Hanibu? Let's check out Crow for you. Crow's been slow, man. I'm not going to lie. I own a good amount of Crow, but Crow has been slow, man. I can't deny it, right? I always say, guys, if I own a coin that's not performing well, I'll admit it, right? Crow has been a friggin' stable coin. Really, besides these up and downs, it's pretty much been a stable coin since back here in February. So, man, are we going to see any type of movement from Crow? Well, let's take a look here. On the 4 hour chart, you got no bearish divergence on your RSI here. You're really just creeping your way up here slowly. Let's take a look at our fib from our top to our bottom here. Yeah, see, you're getting rejected right at your 0.5 Fibonacci Fibonacci retracement. So really, if you look up here, your next target is you're right around your top here from April 19th is 2087. But how many times have you been around that 20 cent mark for Crow? It feels like every week we go up, we hit our head against 20 cents, we get above it, come back below it. It's like that 20 cent mark is just like the the median core of Crow's existence. So look for 20.8, and then your next target should be upwards of your 786 fib of 2276. But obviously, we really got to wait to see what BTC does here. It always is possible Crow could get a little bit of a dump, maybe back down to the 1777 area if BTC decides to continue to dump, which is sitting at 54,900 right now. So BTC can't really make up its mind. And yes, guys, I already started. Look at, oh yeah, I already started rubbing the beard. The Black Man's Guide to Bitcoin. Interesting. Check out On. Yeah, we can definitely check it out, man. Just West said King. Check out UMA.
Jordan, check that on.
From Netherlands, dude. I'm so happy that a lot of people are watching from Europe. Like I think that's really freaking awesome. You got, like I always say, you guys have some serious crypto commitment to be up that late watching my stream. But I'm not one to talk. I'm usually watching up people's streams late at night too. So I guess I can't really talk. Ah, man. Some good H2O, guys. Orange juice and H2O. You guys wanna live? Orange juice, H2O. Orange juice for the natural sugar to give you that wake up if you don't drink caffeine. Water, try to drink a gallon a day. Seriously, goes a long way. All right. Bruno just asked how I'm doing today. Bruno, I had a fantastic day today. You guys probably can't see, but I have my tan right now is getting nice, man. I'm trying to get my tan ready for Miami when I go down there, so I'm not going down there and look like a piece of printer paper. So I mean, the tan's coming really, really nice. I was outside for most of the middle part of the day. So yeah, pretty nice day out today. I mean, it's starting to get nice again back up here in Massachusetts. So it's really freaking awesome.
Can you have a look at Montage PLS? Thanks, smile.
Yeah, for sure, man. All right. So, Just Wells, today we need big green dildo coins. Yes, we friggin' do, man. Bring on these green dildos. We've gotten a lot of green dildos in the last couple of days, so we can't get too carried away, but I do think we need more green dildos coming our way. Caesar said, can you please take a look at Matic and tell me what your opinion on when to leave? Loving the show. Thank you, Caesar. Appreciate it, man. I've seen you the last couple of days, dude, so I really do appreciate the support, man. Matic. Let's check out Matic here, guys. Oh, man. Matic just keeps going, huh? Wow. Okay. Let's check out our fib extension targets to see maybe when you should take some profits on Matic, if you didn't already. Let's take from our top to our bottom here. I'm not going to count this scam wick here. Yeah, so basically Matic could continue up, man. Matic could continue up to, as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump tonight, Matic could continue up to 94.25, man. But I gotta give it a shout out to. Congrats!
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
I gotta
Strap
give it
up, we're going to the moon.
Like, this is something that would really shut this guy up.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Financially illiterate. All right. Yeah. So 94.2 cents is your next target here for Matic. If you do continue up, probably going to have some people taking profits at that general area. So do watch that. You can see your last 4-hour candle did close right at that 1.618 fib. So look out for that for Matic. But yeah, Matic just continues to rock and roll. Continues to rock and roll. Absolutely insane. All right. BTC, guys, sitting at 55,057. So still just kind of chilling in that exact same spot it's been the entire stream so far. And Ethereum is getting, it looks like, another boost to the upside here. Trying to break that resistance again. So Ethereum could start making some moves here. It's sitting at 26, almost 2650. Looking to maybe back test that resistance again and continue up towards next target, which is 3,019 bucks. You probably get some resistance at the 3,000 psychological area, but ETH looking like it wants to power through here. Power through. There we go. It just did it. It just powered through that resistance. So ETH is going to retest this resistance at about 26.74. So we'll see if it breaks it.
Are you or were you ever into sleight of hand or any other magician type stuff? I have a hunch.
What? Why do I look like a guy that likes magician stuff? Do I look like a guy who likes magician stuff? That's literally the most random thing I've ever heard. I have a hunch that you like doing magic tricks. Like what? No, I've never done any type of magic tricks or anything like that. Wrench. I was just blown away by that question, man. That was literally the most random question anyone's ever asked me. Not even on stream, just like in real life. The sleight of hand tricks. Yeah, I can do a lot of tricks. I can do a crystal ball. Crystal ball, I can tell you Bitcoin's going to 100K in 2 months. Bitcoin's going to 20K in 12 months.
Hi, Jordan. Can check out Done. Thanks in advance, man.
All right. That was really one of the most random questions I've ever been asked. That's pretty funny. Let's see. Where was I? Now I'm completely thrown off. Looked at Matic. Dave Gore with a $10 super chat. Thank you, Dave. You're an absolute stud, man. Bear said showing support. First month in crypto. What a ride. Yeah, man. You probably bought at the... I'm not going to say the worst possible time because you'll end up making money in the end, but you probably bought at the top if you bought a month ago. And you held to the bottom like I've been telling you, and now you're getting that bounce to the upside. So good to see that you're holding strong here in the crypto market and you're not going away and saying this is a scam, this is a fraud, and all this stuff. Thank you so much for your honest insight. Thank you, Travis. Appreciate it, man. Merrick said, market makers will short it because everyone long. Exactly. Just like we saw with that chart that we looked at earlier, most people are long right now. So it's probably likely that we probably stay around the $54,000 generally vicinity. We don't have to be right at 54,000. Maybe we stay at 55,000, something like that. But we probably stay in this until most likely Friday. I mean, you could see another pump to the upside, but I think by Friday we'll probably be hovering somewhere around 54,000.
Kendall Jenner, would you dance with both of her moms?
Here we go. We got Kendall Jenner out here. If you married Kendall Jenner, would you dance with both of her moms? Like I said, I do a lot of things to Kendall Jenner. Mostly Kylie though. Mostly Kylie. I'd take which one of the Kardashians / Jenners would you guys take, guys? Out of all the Kardashians and Jenners, which one would you guys take? And for all you ladies, which one do you think is the best looking? I'm generally curious. I'm taking Kylie all day. Kylie, I would do some dirty things to Kylie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna freaking lie. All right.
Just wondering, have you ever eaten a cheesecake while doing astrophysics?
Watching a Braves games on the beach. MT, you got the weirdest super chats, man. You really do. How do you even come up with this stuff, man? How do you even come up with this stuff? Kendall? Kim? Bruce? Matt said Bruce. Courtney, Jayberg said none. Bruce. Everyone, Kylie, Kendall. I'm seeing a lot of Kendalls. I don't see it with Kendall, guys. I don't see it with Kendall. I'm taking Kylie all day. I'm sorry, man, but I don't see it with Kendall. Courtney, I would probably even take Courtney over Kendall. Probably go Kylie, Courtney, Kendall, and then whoever, and then friggin' Bruce at the end. All right, let's continue on here before I get super carried away here. Priest production on Crow, please. Yeah, I think we already checked out Crow, man. I don't know what priest production is. I'm just not hip to that term. Let me make sure I'm just not hip, because I tend to be not hip to these terms. People tell me to look up things and I'm like,
Hey, Mr.
taint.
Can you check out Ripley's United Kingdom?
Yeah, man. Like, people tell me to look up, like, taint and stuff, and I'm like, oh, yeah, let me look up taint coin, and it ends up being a friggin' weird part on the human body. So, I don't even know at this point, man.
Check out Deviant's Base Stuffable project app that's supposed to be the next Venmo for cryptocurrency if needed.
Alright. Hi, Jordan. Any chance you can check out the graph? Yeah, man.
More like a carved mouth or a wizard's sleeve.
Last night I dreamt Makuji and Jordan were eating pizza. That's pretty awesome, man. It's better than the arm wrestle you were talking about the other day, man.
Last night I dreamt Makuji and Jordan WRE eating pizza.
It's better than, like I said, it's better than the arm wrestle, man. I'm not trying to arm wrestle Makuji. Alright, so the graph. What is going on with the graph? The graph, well, first of all, the graph.
That's an XLM stable coin.
The graph is a friggin' stable coin. You might as well be in the graph. You might as well not even be in Tether or a stable coin, because the graph is literally just does it and gives you the upside potential too. So the graph, yeah, the graph might be at kind of a resistance line too. You got 1, 2, and you're right at it too. So it's a very, very similar to a lot of friggin' altcoins, where if you break this resistance, you're gonna start moving again. So the graph, if you break that resistance, yeah, most likely most likely you're probably going to be going back up to probably this level first, probably 197 if you do break to the upside here for the graph. But the graph looking like it wants to blow, right? It's getting squeezed between the 4-hour EMA and this resistance. It's got to make a move. It's got to make a move within the next couple hours. Here we go. Gonna make sure that the little beard is good to go, guys. All right, 15 minutes until
BTC pair.
yeah, we can check it out. The black, who's the blacks dude? I don't know who the blacks. I didn't skip over anyone, man. I'm going in order, dude. I'm going in order. So calm your horses, everyone. Calm your horses. I'm going in order here. The black man's guide to Bitcoin is coming up next. Just West said, King, please check out UMA. Thanks again. Thank you, sir. My prince. UMA. The only thing I'm the king of, man, is orange juice at this point, dude.
Thanks. Adam, thoughts?
Adam. Yeah, we check out Adam, man. All right. What is going on with UMA? Very, very similar chart to the graph, actually. Very similar chart to the graph. It actually looks like, if you zoom in a little bit, yeah, so UMA looks like it's coiling up for a move too. Yeah, so I probably expect UMA to break pretty soon too. It's probably better on the hourly. Yeah, it's a little better on the hourly there. But yeah, I do expect to see UMA break pretty soon here too. 3 touches on the top, 3 touches on the bottom here. Measure move breakout for UMA. If you do break to the upside, you take your top at the triangle to the bottom of the triangle, and you extrapolate that up at the breakout point. It's going to put you upwards of about 31.18 for UMA if you do break to the upside. So just be prepared for that. Yeah, put you at right at your actually resistance from April 15th too. So that makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense if you do break that to the upside. Right about there. All right. So that's UMA. Got 14 minutes for the BTC close, guys.
Small market cap. Think it could explode?
CVC coin, small market cap. Think it could explode. We'll check it out, man. Jordan, check that ONG out. Ontology gas. Check that ONG out. Yeah, I'll check ONG, man. Ontology gas. What is going on with ontology gas? Let's zoom out to the 4-hour chart. So ontology, Yeah, you're right at a big resistance. It looks like you're trying to poke your head above it right now, actually. And if we actually take out our Fibonacci extension, I'm assuming you're probably at your 0.5. Take it from, yeah. You don't include the wicks. You're right at your 0.382 fib. So that's why you're kind of getting some resistance there. Now, if you do break up to the upside, based on your Fibonacci, you probably should be going up to 104. And then 113 your next targets for ontology, but still looking pretty good. As long as you hold that 4-hour EMA and break this resistance, you're going to keep going. You have room to run on the 4-hour chart too, right? You got room to run. So it's looking good, man. Wrench said, I love gold.
I love gold.
Nice, man. You love don't tell me you love Bitcoin gold, man. If you talk about Bitcoin gold, we're gonna have some problems here, man. No Bitcoin gold allowed in this chat. No Bitcoin gold. Jordan, you should subscribe to Makuji and become besties, dude. I don't know who this Makuji is, man. Like I'm starting to get creeped out by this Makuji guy. No, he's been in here before. He seems like a cool guy. Wrench. No, we said
Here's another one. Why not? What about ban, please?
Matic. Yeah, I think we already looked at Matic earlier, man. Matic. Yeah, we looked at Matic. Next target for Matic, for anyone that's going to ask about Matic, next target's 94 cents. That's your 1.618 fib. Or sorry, that's your 2.618 fib. That's your next target for Matic. Anyone who asks about Matic, we're looking at it right now, right? Matic. 94.2 cents is your next target for Matic, okay? And Matic looks like it's going straight up to it right now. Like, Matic is not stopping. Like I said, like, congrats to anyone who got Matic down here. Like, you're instantly did like almost a 3x on your money, man. It's awesome. Morgan said, hi, Jordan. Can you check out Dent? Thanks in advance, man. You're welcome, Morgan. Hope you're having a great day. Wait, it's DNT. Is it DNT or Dent? Right? Because I always get DNT and Dent mixed up. Hold on. It's Morgan wanted Dent. Okay, Dent. I got to make sure I get the right one here because I tend to get those two mixed up. Yeah, Dent. Yeah. I mean, it was really... I'm trying to see what you got here. It's really once you broke this kind of resistance coming left like that,
Litecoin, please.
you look pretty good. Came back down, back tested your 4-hour. I do expect you to keep moving up here. Let's take your fib, retracement, see where you're at here. Take it from the candle bodies. So yeah, so you're right at your 382 fib. You break your 382. You see a lot of these altcoins are at that 382 Fibonacci. 382, you break the 382, you're going up to 1.4. And then your 0.618, right? The golden pocket. 0.618 Fibonacci at 1.6. So those are your next two targets that I'm seeing for Dent. If you do continue up based off Fibonacci Fibonacci retracement in this case. But yeah, Dent looks like it broke out and just back testing its previous resistance and support. And it's going to continue up. What's ETH doing? I know ETH was doing pretty well. ETH's kind of just chilling right now, waiting for that close. Bitcoins, guys, chilling at 54,976. Kind of posted up. Like Bitcoin's just kind of been on the beach for the past couple 16 hours, getting a nice little tan. If you marry Kendall Jenner, would you dance with both of her moms at the wedding party? Yeah, definitely. First of all, I wouldn't marry Kendall Jenner. I'd be down to have her come over, but I wouldn't marry Kendall Jenner, right? For sure. I wouldn't even marry Kylie Jenner, okay? But I would dance both of her moms. That's what you want to ask. MT said, just wondering, have you ever eaten a cheesecake while doing astrophysics and watching a Braves game on the bench? I do like cheesecake. I don't do astrophysics, and I don't watch baseball anymore, man. I used to be a big baseball fan, but dude, like, it's just so boring now. So boring now. Used to be a big Red Sox fan. Businessman with the 99 euro super chat. Thank you. Watched. Oh no, wrench. Is your urethra more like a carp mouth or a wizard sleeve? I go with the wizard sleeve, man. Definitely wizard sleeve. Can you check out DV? It's based off a project app that's supposed to be the next Venmo for cryptocurrency. Is that needed? I don't know if that's so much needed. I don't see the problem with Venmo and all those type of apps because they kind of do what they got to do, right? They're pretty instantaneous. But we can check DV real quick. DV is now look. I mean, it had a nice little double top. Had a nice double top, not nice, but bad double top. It's probably just consolidating. Looks kind of like it's probably not on the charts here, but actually it might be. But looks like interesting.
Stuck a few suggestions in the Discord when you get a chance, Jordan. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll check it out, man. DV. See if it's in here. I don't think it is. Hold on. DV. Is this DV? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it just looks like your classic accumulation. Nothing really crazy going on with it. We look at the daily chart, might give us a little more info. Yeah, daily chart just looks like a nice nice bull flag here. If you break this to the upside, which I do expect you to do, since we're in a bull market, right? After all, anyone that says we're not is not telling the truth. Breakout target for this, if you do break to the upside, would be about 11 cents for DV. Not looking too bad. About a 2x from where it is right now. All right, Bitcoin's getting super close, guys. We got 5 minutes until that close for Bitcoin. Let's bang out some of these super chats, and then we'll hang out on Bitcoin for a little bit. Hey, Mr. Wife Swap, can you check out Riff, please? Yeah, we can check out Riff. Why not, man? Chrisick. What's going on, Chrisick? Mr. Ape. Let's see. We got a new song in here. This song is pretty bad. All right. What is it? Riff? I don't want to get rid of my Ethereum chart. Definitely don't want to do that. Riff. Yeah. So Riff looks like it broke. Yeah, it broke that big resistance on a closed basis. Broke it. So.
Could you take a look at Trevala? Ava, kept up the good work.
Yeah, definitely check it out. For sure, man. So from top to bottom on the fib extension, let's take a look where we're at. Yeah. So you got to get back above this 382. Looks like this 382 Fibonacci retracement's been pretty big resistance looking up. If you can break it back above that, your 0.5, look, perfect. Support right on that 0.5 fib. That's your next target at 35.5. You do move up, and then after that, that makes a lot of sense too at about 38 cents at your golden pocket 0.618. So, yeah, I mean, wrap lift looks good. Obviously, over your 4-hour EMA, you got room to run on your 4-hour RSI. Everything's pointing to a move back up as long as we know. What's the disclaimer we put on every one of these altcoins, guys? They can look super bullish, but if Bitcoin dips, the altcoins are going to, right?
Check out BTT, thanks, man.
BTT, I can check out BTT. All right, we got 4 minutes to the close, guys. Let's do one more here. Fatty McDonut, morning. It's nighttime where I am, but good morning, Fatty McDonut. Can you check out AVAX Bitcoin Fair? Yeah, we'll check out one more here, and then we'll wait to see what Bitcoin does on its open/close. AVAX Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on in the Bitcoin pair. I look at these on the daily chart. Daily chart looks pretty good, at least right now. Actually, yeah. So you got back above this critical level here, where was your previous support, and now you're coming back up. I think at this point you're back above your 20-day moving average. I think you're going to go back up to about this level, which you got a bunch of resistance on looking up. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance there. I think you go back up to there, which would be about a 27% move against Bitcoin. So not too bad. Not too bad. All right, let's hang out on Bitcoin for a second, guys. We're getting that daily close in 2 minutes. You guys think we're going to go up or down here? What do you guys think? Up or down on the new day, right? It's kind of usually 50-50. We usually don't know which way we're going to go. VeChain. Yeah, we'll check out VeChain. VeChain is always a popular one. Get rid of some of these. Oh yeah, that's a good one there. All right, 2 minutes. ETH bumping again. Yeah, ETH's going again, guys. Look at ETH. ETH about to go test that resistance again. Let's see what it does on the close. Where we get an all-time high close for Ethereum. An all-time high close. Let's see. Let's go to the hourly. All-time high close for Ethereum. We gotta get above 2666. We're right there, guys. Everyone's saying up, so everyone's bullish right now. Everyone is bullish right now, so we'll see what happens. ETH. 1 minute to the close. Will it get its all-time high close? Looks like it's getting rejected. It's going back up. You're right. You're right at it here, guys. Right friggin' at it, man. Let's see. There it is. Right at it, man. Looks like it's going to do it. There it is, guys. The highest close on the hourly chart for Ethereum ever in Ethereum's existence. Ever, man. 4 hour. Highest close on the 4 hour chart ever in Ethereum's existence as well. We're witnessing history again, guys. Like, we're witnessing history right now.
Hey man, quick question. Sold all my BTC and all. Should I wait for it to close again above line, or should I want and see if it goes down and retest?
Interesting question, man. What was the question? You said, hey man, quick question. Sold all my BTC and alts. Should I wait for it to close again above line, or should I wait and see if it goes down and retest? I mean, I think any time now is a good time to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. Obviously, do what you want to do, man. It's not financial advice, but I'm never going to say it's a bad time to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum in this bull market. It's not, because you don't know if it's going to go lower. You have no idea. So the minute difference between you buying now versus you buying, you buying 2 days from now, where we could be at 60K in 2 days, would you be more mad then? All right, Bitcoin back 55,120. So we're getting a little bit of a mini pump here from BTC. More so from ETH though. 626.72 for ETH, right at that resistance level. Freaking huge.
Can you do a Mexican hat dance without a push?
There you go. There's your Mexican hat dance, man. Hope you enjoyed it, dude. All right, 26.73. We're continuing up all-time highs for ETH. on the close basis, we got it all-time highs currently set at 26.83 for ETH, but we're pretty damn close. We're pretty we're pretty damn close, guys. BTC 55,215. So BTC looking to retest its resistance too. So we're getting some pumpage. We're getting some pumpage. It's looking good. Of course, I had to do it. Come on, I'm gonna do the. I don't know what the Mexican hat dance is, but I had to do some type of hat dance. MC. It's confused what I'm doing. All right. ETH. Continuing 26.77 for ETH. We're doing things. We're doing things. Right at the resistance, guys. Let's see if we can poke our little head through that resistance here. We're doing things. Finally, man. Merry Christmas, fellas. Merry freaking Christmas. All right. I can't get too far behind on these super chats, so I'm already so far behind. Man, where was I? Oh, man, I am way down here. Okay. MT said, Adam, thoughts on MT. Yeah, I'll check out Adam real quick, and obviously we'll keep going back to Bitcoin, guys. Don't worry. Adam, can you talk about Polygon? Bought at 56 cents. Absolutely, my man. Absolutely, my man.
Can you talk about Polygon? Bought at 0.56.
Yeah, Adam looks pretty good, dude. Like, yeah, I mean, it looks like it wants to retest its highs on a daily.
I'm not sure it's a good moment because BTC.
188, but not sure if it's a good moment because BTC. It's always a good moment, man. It is always a good moment for Cardano, right? No, but in all honesty, Adam looks like to be in a rising channel here. So it's most likely that as long as Bitcoin continues to not dump, right? And two, either go sideways or up, you probably see Adam continue up to the top of the range here at about 29.38, right? So Adam looking pretty damn good, just consolidating an upwards channel. Pretty damn good. All right, ETH still chilling at that resistance. Bitcoin kind of recharging maybe for its next nice charge to test that resistance again. It did get rejected again, it looks like, as we speak. But I'm expecting it to break out during the stream, guys. Like, whether it's to the upside or the downside, I am expecting a breakout here on the new day. I really am. The good thing, though, on the daily, guys, the daily time frame, look at where we closed, guys. We closed above our 20-day moving average. It's exactly what we wanted. We wanted to close above that. Perfect. So I am expecting a move up here for BTC going forward. We'll see if it's today, though. We'll see if it's today. You do need to have some type of big move, though, pretty soon, as we looked at earlier. Billy Pauser say, can you take out Blumkin coin? Dude, come on, man. Is that actual coin? Nope, it's not. I got played. It's not on there, man. Blumkin coin is not on CoinMarketCap. Billy, what are you doing to me, man? AKFG fan with the 199 super chat. Thank you, man. He said CVC coin, small market cap, think it could explode. I don't know much about it, man. I don't know much about it. Let's check it out. CVC Civic. So number 147. It's not that small. It's not that small. I don't know much about it, though. Identity management solution that gives individuals and businesses the tools they need to control and protect personal identity information. Interesting. Definitely an interesting project. Like I said, I don't know much about it as far as fundamentals go, but yeah, I mean, it looks like you can easily continue up. So it looks like to me. 4 hour looking really good. Last two lows. You can see really nice 4 hour bullish divergence here. Really friggin' nice. So you're back over your 4-hour EMA, or this is a daily bullish divergence, even better. Daily bullish divergence, back above your 20-day moving average. I do expect you to continue up to the upside here. I really do. So if you take a look top to bottom here, yeah, you can see your first initial pump up. You went up to your 1.618. I do expect you to move back up to 113 eventually, if you can obviously break your highs.
Thoughts on Atari token, please and thanks.
So 79 and 113, I do expect you to move back up to those levels. All right, ETH's going again, guys. 26.77. Let's see if Ethereum can break its highs. Let's see. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now I'm starting to talk to myself here. I just get pumped when Ethereum and Bitcoin pump, because my portfolio goes up so much when those two pump. I love it. I love it. All right, 26.78. Let's see. I can't. I was thinking about this earlier, guys. Like, imagine how it's gonna feel, right? At whenever the top of this bull market is. Imagine the feeling. Ethereum's breaking highs right now as we speak, guys. But as we watch this, right? I'll give it a quick. Here we go.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Ethereum next target $3,000, guys. If we do break this, imagine the feeling, guys, at the end of this bull market, whenever it is. Let's say Bitcoin's at 250K. Let's say Ethereum's at 15K. Let's say all the other altcoins do a 20x. Imagine how you're gonna freaking feel. I was thinking about this like earlier today. The amount of life-changing opportunities that we're gonna get in this bull market is gonna be friggin' insane, man. Friggin' insane. Like I don't think you guys know. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. I don't think you guys understand how lucky you guys actually are to be in this market. Even if you only have $1,000 in the market, right? Like if you're investing in the right coins, it's likely that $1,000 can be 10,000, 20,000 at the end of this bull market, in my opinion. So, man, even if you're in high school, right? Even if you're a high school broke college kid, you have $500 in the market. That could be life-changing money for you. $500 to go to 5,000, like it's crazy, man. And I love seeing people be successful, and this is the market to do it, dude. 26.84 for Ethereum. Looks like we're trying, man. We're trying to do it. Same thing for BTC, dude. Wife-changing wealth. Pretty. Metal Gear said wife-changing wealth. If you got a wife. If you got a wife, you get rich off crypto, maybe you can, use wife swap a couple times, without actually investing it. I'm just kidding. All ladies out there, I say stuff, I kind of blabble on. I'm just kidding most of the time. A little bit. 55,250 for BTC. Guys, if we could smack that up that freaking like, oh guys, real quick. Make sure you guys go follow me on IG. I'm doing a giveaway, right? I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 followers. So I'm posting it in the chat right now. Make sure you guys go follow me on IG. A giveaway, I'm picking a random follower for a giveaway at 1,000 followers. We're only like 150 followers away. So I'm pretty sure we're going to hit that tonight. Links in the description and also in the chat. Go click on it. Go follow me over there. We're hitting 1,000 tonight, because I want to give away some money. So make sure you guys go follow me over there. All right? Seriously. As we watch Bitcoin and Ethereum do things here. But let's go back to Ethereum. Ethereum's doing it, guys. I just get so hyped over that, man. I get so hyped.
Can you check out Hollow Hut? Greetings from Uruguay.
Check out Hollow Hut. Yeah, we can check it out. All right. 2690 for Ethereum.
Thoughts on BCH long term, please.
BCH long term, yeah, we'll check it out. All right, 55,226 for for BTC. We're hitting this resistance right now. We'll see what BTC does next, but Ethereum's kind of leading the market right now. As we know, Ethereum's been leading the market for the last couple weeks, guys. All right, I'm getting wicked behind these super chats. I got to start catching up on these. I'm glad to see everyone's making money though. Like it is really good to see. It really is. From the bottom of my heart, it is really good to see. Blumkin, CVC, what Wrench said I love gold. I don't know what that means, man, but Just West. Look at Band.
Check out FBTC for me, please.
Yeah, let's check out Band real quick for Just West, and we'll go back over to Ethereum, guys.
Will you do the Irish Shamrock Jig at 1,000?
Yes, I will do the Irish. I don't know what that is, but I will do the chicken dance if we hit 1,000 on Instagram. I'm posting it in the chat again. I will do the chicken dance on stream. All right, Band. What is Band doing? Band's kind of in this upwards channel too. Band just kind of chilling in an upwards channel. So Band looks like it's ready to go back up to test its highs here. If you go straight up on the daily, it's most likely going to come back up to 2156 at a bare minimum, assuming we don't get a major dumperoo from BTC, right? Assuming. And that might be a lot to assume at this point, you know what I mean? But let's see. You got room to run in your daily. 4 hour looks pretty much the same. 4 hour looks pretty much the same. So, yeah, Band looks pretty good, dude. Band looks pretty freaking good. BTC, man, so close, dude. 55,230. It's right. It's knocking at the door. Ethereum's going to pull out BTC here. Ethereum, 2692. It continues to smash that highs, guys. Freaking gold, baby. Portfolio Stack Attacker said portfolio just hit 9K. Was down 6K a couple weeks ago. This is why I tell you guys to hodl. Okay? Because you guys would have panic sold the top. You guys would have panic sold the bottom, expecting 45K, and then we would have pumped up to 55K, and you would end up buying and losing 20% of your portfolio like that after already losing it on the way down. So this is why I tell you guys to hodl. Okay, 2690 for ETH, new all-time highs for our beloved second cap coin. Bitcoin fall, man. Bitcoin just got to get those bids, man. It's right there, though. All right. Matthew, mind checking. Oh, yeah, Matthew with the $5 super chat asking for Litecoin. Check out Litecoin for Matt. Litecoin. Check out LTC. Litecoin looking good. He broke that resistance at 258. So it looks like your clear skies ahead for 284 for Litecoin here. Clear skies ahead for LTC. So, looks freaking good, man. You got room to run your 4-hour RSI above your 4-hour EMA. Everything's pointing to higher prices here for Litecoin. That's exciting, dude. David Miller, check out Zill. Check out Zill while we're waiting for... looks like ETH is getting a little bit of a pullback right now. ETH's getting a little pullback. Is Matic still going up? Holy Zill. Holy Zill.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Another FU to that guy, man.
Market is popping off.
I didn't even mean to press that, but another FU to that guy.
How's Aldo look?
You know? So I didn't even mean to press that button, but it was perfect. It was perfect. Zill, holy massive. Massive pump for Zill. You're getting resistance at 22.4 cents. Previous resistance back here from February 4th. But if you can break that, which I do expect you to probably do here, you're probably going to go back up to your highs for ZIL at like 25.6 cents. So ZIL looking mighty fine too. Mighty fine. If you want to look at your next targets above, which, you know, you might be wanting to look at this point.
BCH, please, dude.
BCH. All the BCHers out here, man. I'm not going to count that scam wick. That scam wick is kind of dumb. Yeah, if you break these two levels, 1.618 fibs, it's at 33.1 cents. So it's good to be able to start looking at some of these next price targets again. I was missing looking at our fib extension targets for a while. It's a really good feeling, man. ETH pulled back a little bit. Bitcoin's still chilling at the exact same spot. Shafe said, I stuck a few suggestions in the Discord when you get a chance, Jordan. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely, Shafe. I'll get to it, man.
ALTCOIN, please.
I usually do the Discord ones at the end, just so I can spend a little more time on them. Filecoin. Sunny Sun, did you check out Mellow token? Other YouTubers are liking it. Mellow? Mellow is a coin that just came out, right? Yeah, Mellow is a coin that just came out. It really doesn't have that much price action right now. Global isolation due to COVID-19 pandemic, booming tech and cryptocurrency industries have provided much of the Mellow team's inspiration. The world embarked upon a journey of self-discovery in 2020 and 2021. I don't really, this doesn't explain to me what it does. Yeah, I don't really know what this thing, I can't spend too much time on it, but I mean, it literally just came out, so there's not much price and action on it, man. Go check out Mellow token if you guys want. Just Chill said, if you look at Travala, keep up the good work. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, dude. Thanks for the kind words. I will keep up the good work as long as I can, man. All right, guys, we're pushing 30K subs, guys. The end of the week goal was 30K, but I think we can hit 30K by tomorrow if we really push the gas pedal here. Like we're gonna absolutely destroy that goal, destroy it, and then next month we're gonna destroy 40K. Easy squeezy, like that. Hold on, the weird song's on. Actually, no, this song's not that weird. Let's see where we're at on IG real quick. IG, we're at 913, guys. So we're getting up there. We're getting up there. I'm posting the Instagram in the chat again, guys. I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 Instagram followers. We're almost friggin' there, guys. And I'm also going to do the chicken dance on stream if we hit 1,000 followers. So make sure you guys go follow me over there. Links in the description, and I just posted the link in the chat. I just spammed it in there, so I broke my own rule against spamming, you know? So, all right, let's check out Travala.
Can you check OXT? Thank Jay.
Bitcoin actually looking like it's about to blow. I said Bitboy. I almost just said I think Bitboy is about to blow. I think Bitcoin is about to blow pretty soon. It's looking like it just wants to blow here. It really is. David Joseph said I subscribed 100 times. Thank you, man. Prometheus said scammer, shaking my head. Pretty much, dude. All right, let's check out Travala. What's going on, Antonio? Dropping the $20 super chat. Jazz said, oh, you touched my Travala. All right, let's look at Travala Ava.
I'm late to the party. What did I miss? Have you looked at ANKR?
Travala Ala. What's going on with Travala Ala? I don't know what I like saying that. I like saying Travala Ala.
Ravencoin PLCC, slightly smiley face.
Travala Ala. All right. What's going on, Travala? Yeah, actually, if you look here on the 4-hour chart, looks really good. Yeah, it looks like you broke a cup and handle pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Let me actually get my straight line tool out here. That would probably be a little more helpful in this situation, guys.
Solana, please.
You got your nice cup, and you got your nice handle right off your 4-hour EMA. And it looks like you're breaking out of it right now. and maybe this is your back test, but looking really good. Looking really good for Travala. I think your breakout target, you know, if you did want to get really creative with it, you take your top to your bottom, bottom to top, and then you stick that up there. It's going to give you your breakout target upwards of $7, which actually puts you right at your all-time high wick, almost perfectly. Look at that. Look at that confluence. Boom, right to your all-time high wick. Boom, $7. It's probably where you're going for Travala. Travala looks really good though. All right, BTC. BTC at its highs on the stream right now. Highs on the stream for Captain BTC. Now, guys, I wasn't making fun of BitBoy. I actually watch all. I don't watch his videos, but I watch all of his live streams. I like BitBoy. I like BitBoy. He's a funny dude. I think me and BitBoy would get along pretty well. I mean, we're both kind of just guys that kind of just like kind of shoot the crap. I mean, is what it is. I think BitBoy gets too much hate. I think BitBoy actually makes really good content. All right, 55,310. Let's see what BTC does here. ETH continuing to push up as well.
Waiting on BCH, bro.
BCH. I'm getting there, my man. I'm getting there, my man. I'm getting there, my man. I'm trying, dude. I gotta hang on Bitcoin for a little bit, you know. All right, Dingleberry. What's going on, Dingleberry? Can you check out BTT? Thank you for requesting BTT. One of my favorite acronyms to say is BTT. I don't know why. I don't know why it's one of my favorite acronyms, but I just love saying BTT. If you guys know when watching my channel, I say it literally every day. It's almost as good as Devontae Duke. Yeah, so BTT on Bitcoin's big dump, you broke below your below this like falling wedge. You broke back into it, and now it looks like you're back testing your previous resistance now as new support, and also testing your 4-hour EMA. So I do expect you to move back up. Next target here is 0.96 cents for BTT. So look for BTT to continue to make big moves here. Look for BTT to continue to make big moves. ETH is actually going off right now. This is basically it on BTT. I'm expecting higher prices here. 9.6 and 1 cent coming for BTT imminently. All right, BTC at its highs. Ethereum absolutely going off right now. 26.93. How much water do you drink a day? Random, I know. I drink a gallon of water a day. So I drink one of these whole things a day.
Water do you drink a day?
One of these whole things a day.
I know.
I've drank a gallon of water every day, I want to say, for the past maybe 6 months. You know? Cryptos are us, BitBoy. Yeah, I mean, they have their own different styles, you know what I mean? BitBoy's a little more wacky, he adds a little more humor into it. Cryptos are us a little more serious, just kind of gets to the point. I mean, it's whatever style you kind of enjoy, you know what I mean? But yeah, ETH at its highs again, guys. BTC just looking like it wants to blow, man. You got to break this resistance, though.
Check out TKOBs, it's been bouncing along its support for hours.
Yeah, for sure. Tobel said, can you look at Band? What do you think about it? Yeah, I'll take a look at Band, man. Take a look at Band before BTC starts to blow up, guys. I'm going to try to bust through some of these super chats here. Band, still in this rising channel. Maybe looked at Band a little while ago. But yeah, I mean, at this point, it's likely you're probably going to continue up here to test the top of the channel again. If you went straight up, it would put you somewhere around like $23. In my opinion, that's going to be coming for Band. If you zoom into the 1 hour chart a little bit, it doesn't really seem like much here on the 1 hour chart, but expect a bigger movement up here following Ethereum, BTC. Ethereum now at $26.96. We could be seeing the first $2,700 Ethereum in the history of mankind. Think about that for a second, guys. You guys are witnessing history here. Like, the amount of times we witness history is insane. I'm telling you guys, as long as BTC doesn't take a giant dump on its lunch break, look for Ethereum to hit 3K. BTC looks like it's breaking out right now too. Yeah. BTC 55.42.
Hey man, is Mana heading to $2?
Is Mana heading to $4? Probably, dude. Did we hit the Instagram goal? I said someone to dance. All right, 929. We're hitting 1,000 IG followers, guys. I'm gonna spam it until we hit 1,000 followers. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna spam it. Go follow me on IG, guys. We're hitting 1,000 followers on today's stream, 100%. One, because I want to give you guys some money. Two, because I want to hit 1,000 followers. Let's be honest here. Go follow me over there, guys. Seriously, we're so close. We're so close to hitting that goal. 55,545. We're peeking our head, guys. Bitcoin is peeking its head over that resistance. ETH, so close to 2,700. So close, man. All right, let's get through some of these before BTC starts blowing its load. I feel like BTC is about to absolutely blow its load. Like the green dildo it's about to have is about to bust and blow its load. I just have a feeling. Like the Black Eyed Peas. They just have a feeling, man. Tobal said, can you look in the band? Did we just looked at band. We're good. We're good on band. Hey man, quick question. I sold all of my Bitcoin and alts. Should I wait for it to close again above line, or should I wait to want and see it? I would probably buy, man. Like I said, not financial advice. I think any time is a good time to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, like I said earlier. Can you do a Mexican hat dance with that ETH push? Already did it. Want ADA, but not sure if a good moment because BTC. I still think it's a good moment for a lot of coins, man. We're seeing ETH break all-time highs. We're seeing Bitcoin right at a resistance. Like, I don't know, man. The longer you wait, the more in a hole you're going to get, in my opinion. But obviously, do what you want to do, man. Arturo wants to take a look at Polygon, bought at 56 cents. Craig said Bitcoin's about to flog the dolphin. Holy man. You bought at 56 cents, man. I'll give it to you, dude.
Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon.
It's a nice green dildo, man. Nice green dildo. See if you have any targets left on your fib retracements here. Yeah. So, I mean, you definitely got a few targets left here.
And see what you think short, long term this cycle.
Next two targets for Polygon. You're looking at 95.9 cents and 122 for Polygon. Look for those to be next kind of take profit zones. You are getting a little bit of a dump here on a weird spot, which is interesting, but nevertheless, it's probably your fib targets from this dump, honestly, if you actually look at it. Yeah, there it is. It's your 3.618 fib from this last dump. So that makes a lot of sense. I'm gonna pull this down, and I'm gonna pull this down. These are your next two targets. It seems like they're expecting these more. So 90 and then 99 cents, that psychological $1 level could give you some problems. Come on, BTC, man. Bust it. I'm about to do the bust it challenge. I'm about to do the bust it challenge on stream, guys. I like me some bust it challenge, I'm not gonna lie. Sierran said, thoughts on Atari token, please and thanks. Yeah, Atari token. Atari token. I haven't looked at this in a hot minute. You guys are probably like, no, Jordan, don't do the bust it challenge. We don't want to see you do the bust it challenge. All right. Let's see. Yeah, falling channel. Can't call it a bull flag because you did go up above here. So yeah, I mean, you're kind of oscillating in this 4-hour falling channel here. But I do, like I said, I do expect you to break this. I really do. Probably if you break it, next target, first target would obviously be your top 64.31. And then you can take a look at your fib targets from top to bottom here. Next target, if you did continue to moon here, would be upwards of right around there, like 84 cents. But yeah, man, nothing really on the 4-hour time frames telling me you're gonna pump. You don't have any bullish divergence. Daily chart.
Remember to check on Hot Wanna Know if it will get me out of my shithole country.
Hot and want to know if it will get me out of my shithole country? Yeah, I can take a look. That's funny. That's really funny.
New watcher I like so far. Could you look at Nano? It looks like it's
Yeah.
ready to go on the 1-hour streak. Could you verify? Thanks.
Yeah, absolutely. Welcome to the stream. Everyone who's new, welcome to the stream. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm here every day, every single day from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want, like I said, you want someone that's here every day, make sure you guys sub so you don't miss any of my live streams. So we did Atari token. Cameron said Matic to $1. Let's check out Matic. I know Matic was going absolutely nuts earlier. Let's see if Matic's still doing some stuff here. Yeah, I mean you got some resistance at 89 cents it looks like, but I do think Matic's going to continue up here. Just having a quick little dipperoo. Obviously it absolutely went off, so I won't be surprised if you get some consolidation. It went up 150% in the span of like 3 days. So don't be surprised if you get some consolidation here for Matic. We dumping a little bit. Yeah, we're dumping a little bit for ETH. Bitcoin's kind of chilling though. Tonzil. Where was I? Matic. Daniel wanted Anchor. Check out Anchor real quick. I'm gonna bust through these a little bit quick, guys, just because I do have a lot of requests today. A lot of requests. Let's see what Anchor's doing. I mean, Anchor looks like it's just oscillating between the same two levels, right? Anchor, pretty much a stable coin since March 27 for a month. Probably pretty much just a stable coin between these two areas. So Anchor's not really doing much, dude. You could argue maybe if you cut off the wicks, maybe you could be in some type of flag, maybe, but it's not perfect. You're pretty much just going sideways. Whichever level, one of these levels you break first, that's going to be honestly your next target. If you want to take a look at what your next fib targets are, if you do continue up, I'm not going to count the spam wick because that's like I said, it's a scam wick. You go up to the top. Next target is 1.618 fib at about 27.83. You could be looking at. So we'll see which way you end up going here. I think you go up. You're now back up like your 20-day moving average. BTC looks like it's about to blow again. About to blow its load. 54,422 uncapped in BTC as we speak. Let's see what BTC does here. It's a good day, guys. Good day today. Good, like awesome weather today. It's super positive in crypto, super positive outside in the weather. You guys in the chat are friggin' awesome as always. Discord was awesome today. If you guys want to join the Discord, by the way, links pinned right to the top of the chat. So make sure you guys go join the Discord. We talk crypto all day. Like we usually hang out after the stream and a voice channel after the stream too. Hang out. So awesome community over there. Yeah, a lot of people over there. We've been over there for months now. It's kind of like a little family we got over there. So go join if you guys want to join. Go over there. All right, so next up is Joey Cap with Veracity. Let me just make sure we're not seeing any big moves from our big boys over here. Our big boys with the big green dildos. Joey Cap wants Veracity. All right, so let's do Veracity for Joey Cap. Thank you for the super chat, Joey. Appreciate it, my man. Veracity. Let's see what Veracity's doing. Let's go to the 1 hour. I'm curious. No, not so much. I thought you maybe kind of been like a cup and handle pattern, but yeah, Veracity, you're holding your 4 hour EMA nicely. I'm going to get rid of some of these lines here and kind of start over. Let's take your top to your bottom of this dump. Let's see where you're at. It's not perfect, man. But yeah, I guess you did get some resistance. I mean, next level based off of this, I'm actually gonna go down to this wick here. Yeah, next level's based off this. This makes a lot of sense. 4 cents, you could have some resistance, and then looking up at about 4.4 cents. Just based off your fib extensions. Yeah, your 0.5 fib and then your 0.618 is your next targets for Veracity. But obviously we'll wait to see what BTC does, which look for Veracity to start pumping here. BTC, once again, man, it just keeps hitting that wall, man. Hitting that wall, doesn't want to break it. As Ethereum just continues to blow. I mean, Ethereum's almost back up to 2,700 after dipping back down into the 2,670s. Ethereum just continues to blow, man. This is such a tease, guys. This is such a tease. If we have any whales in the stream right now, like I'm talking true whales, other than Squiggy, where's my boy Squiggy? We need Squiggy to pump the Bitcoin price right now. Over this resistance. We just need one whale to push it up here. That's all we need, man. One whale buys this, we're going up to 57,586. If one whale pumps this. We just need one friggin' whale, man. You guys in the chat, man. You need to chill, dude. You need to chill. Alright. BTC chillin'. ETH chillin'.
Check waves, please.
Waves? I have no idea what that is, man. But yeah, I'll check it out. Gonzalo wants to check out Hollow Hot. Check out Hollow Hot for Gonzalo. I think a couple people ask about Hot, so we can bang it all out in once, which is good. Hollow Hot. Yeah, so you broke this resistance and you're really going. You came back down, back tested your previous wick. Yeah, you didn't come all the way back down, but generally speaking, it looks like Hot is about to get hot again. Hot is about to... Look at this hat here. Hot is about to get friggin' hot, man. Guys, I'm almost close to doing the chicken dance. I really want to do the chicken dance on stream today. I really do. Go follow me on IG, guys. Go follow me on freaking IG, man. Links in the description, guys. We got to hit 1,000 followers. I'm doing the chicken dance and also giving away some money at $1,000. So go follow me over there. All right. Gonzalo wanted Hot. Hot next targets. Let's take our fib here. See what we got rocking and rolling. Yeah, so we're right at our 0.382. You break your 0.382, a lot of confluence in this like 2 cent area. And then we look a little bit higher, our 2.3 cent area. You probably have some resistance at those 2 levels. But if Hot really starts going and gets hot, like we saw how hot can get. Like, boom, hot is hot. Up here, hot is hot. Okay, so look for those 2 next targets for Hot. Man. So close, dude. I changed my mind. I want the floss dance. The floss dance, man. Vulcan said, oh, Vulcan Tate Pinch. What? Vulcan Tate Pinch. SKL, me homies. Sure, dude. Now we have people changing their names to Taint in here. Man, what did I do? What did I do to this community, man? All right. What was the one you wanted, man? I can't even think. SKL.
VTHO, please and thank you.
VTHO. Yeah. SKL had a really good day. Really good day today, it looks like. Really good day. Let's clear this out. So ultimately for SKL, It's really like this. It's not perfect. Like this wick doesn't have perfectly, but generally speaking, you get my point. Like that's what's really going to come back down to. You breaking this general downtrend. Maybe if we take it from the candle, but yeah. There we go. So you want to break this on a close. And then you'd be pretty much rocking and rolling. That's probably going to be your next point of confluence here. Yeah. So look for a move back up here for SKL, 73 cents. Like I said, as long as Bitcoin doesn't take a dump on the market, then you can go lower. But this is just screaming like room to run in your 4-hour RSI to the upside, bouncing off your 4-hour EMA. This is just screaming upwards price action to me. So look for a move back up to somewhere around 73 cents for SKL.
Hi from France. Can you check SCC or Coinbase, buddy?
I'm doing my own floss dance. I'm actually flossing. You get it? Flossing. 1 inch. All right. ETH trading next few days. IOTAVS ETH trading next few days. My two biggest. IOTA versus ETH trading next few days. My two biggest. I'd probably go with ETH, man. I mean, ETH just looks like prime to go back up to three grand, man. I'd probably stick with Ethereum in my opinion, dude. Ethereum, like this year, like Ethereum, based on my positions, Ethereum's made me the most money. Not like percentage wise, but like just based off gains. Like I'm a huge ETH. I'm really biased when it comes to ETH, but I can be biased when the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in the friggin' pudding, man. All right. Nomadic wants Bitcoin Cash. Check out Bitcoin Cash for Nomadic. Thanks for the super chat, man. I got to catch up on some of these guys because I know Bitcoin's about to blow. Yeah, so when Bitcoin Cash starts pumping, you know Bitcoin's coming next. You know Bitcoin is coming next when Ethereum and especially Bitcoin Cash starts to pump. Like, Bitcoin's coming up next, guys. I'm sorry. It is. It is. Like, yeah, Bitcoin Cash just broke this huge resistance. Like, Bitcoin Cash looking up, like, it's got some room to run on the 4-hour chart. Man. Bitcoin Cash most likely at this point at least goes back up to, I mean, you have a couple odd percentage. Let me look at the Fibonacci here. Yeah, so you at least go up to 963 for Bitcoin Cash. 1,023. Yeah, so these are the targets that I'm seeing really. Like 963, 1,023, and 1,211 most likely for Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, this looks really good. Really good breakout there. Very similar to Bitcoin, right? See how Bitcoin has literally the exact same, not the exact same thing, but it generally has this downwards resistance where it's trying to break it. It's exactly what Bitcoin Cash did. Bitcoin broke this downwards resistance and broke it. So we'll see. We'll see. Cardano's pumping, ETH Classic pumping. I mean, everything's probably pumping right now, man. Alts are going nuts. Alts are going nuts.
Take a look at Blink.
Will you do the Irish jig at 1,000? I'm so freaking weird, man. I'm so weird, dude. All right, let's see where we're at on IG real quick. Let me take a small break. Not a small break, but all right, we're at 960, dude. We only need 40 more, guys. 40 more. All right, go follow me on IG. For everyone that's coming in, I've got 1,700 people in there. You're telling me 40 people can't go follow me over there? I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000, right? So chances are you're gonna get in there. All right, so 40 more followers on IG. I just posted the link in the chat. The link is right in the description as well. Go follow me over there, okay? Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. You guys are absolute stud muffins. Like chocolate chip. Like at this point, you're not even blueberry. You're chocolate chip. And to me, that's an upgrade. Some people probably like blueberry a little better, but I'm going to stick with my chocolate chip. honestly. All right. So Nicole, can I do the Irish jig? Oh, I'll do the Irish jig. I'll do the Irish jig. All right. I got to get my Tip Me I'm Irish shirt though. I gotta get the Tip Me I'm Irish shirt. Fatty McDonough. Now's the time to buy Bitcoin pairs. Check out ETH Bitcoin for me pair. Yeah, I mean ETH Bitcoin is definitely getting to that point where it's probably gonna flip back to Bitcoin, really stealing the show, or Bitcoin, or maybe Ethereum breaks out of this trend and just goes nuts, right? But generally speaking, historically speaking, we are at this level of, you know, this upwards channel that everyone's looking at, where usually when Ethereum hits this upper level, we could top out here at this level, and we see Bitcoin start to steal the show for a little bit. So generally speaking, right, you hit the top, Bitcoin steals the show. You hit the top, Bitcoin steals the show. Hit the top, Bitcoin steals the show. Hit the top, Bitcoin steals the show. So generally speaking, like, we'll see. Like maybe Ethereum breaks this and Ethereum goes on some absolutely massive run. Definitely could be possible based on like the Bitcoin dominance too. I think that would make a lot of sense, but we shall see. We shall see. Follow for follow, Jordan. Maybe, man. 992 guys. You're only 8 away. 8 away, man. 8 away. I'll check out Cardano too. I mean, a lot of people are asking for Cardano. Let me look at Cardano real quick so you guys aren't left in the dark with big boy Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's going, man. Cardano's going. I made a video on Cardano today. Broke out of the symmetrical triangle in the hourly. Bam. Just like I said, guys. What did I say? Symmetrical triangle earlier in the video. Or early in the stream. We broke it. We're going to the upside. Now, it's all I see is a small target on it. It's like 136. I do expect us to go up there as long as Bitcoin doesn't take a dump. But we're getting close in general to our symmetrical triangle. I don't have it drawn on this chart for some reason. But we're getting close to back to our highs, right? We're getting damn close. Upwards of 148. So Cardano looking good, guys. Cardano is looking modified.
Family friend is an executive at Tesla, and behind closed doors, the suits are considering accepting BCH as a form of payment because of low tran fees.
Really, dude? No way, man. Karia, thank you for being my 1,000th follower. You guys are absolutely awesome. We just hit 1,003 followers. Now, here's the ticker on this. Here is the ticker on this. So I said it was going to be a $50 giveaway, but I'm feeling a little generous. If we can hit 1,100, I will do an $100 giveaway. All right. So we only need. We can easily do this on stream. We're still got an hour left to go. If we can hit 1,100, I will up it to a $100 giveaway. Go follow me over there, guys. We're hitting 1,100. All right. But at the end of the stream, if we're not at 1,100, it's going to be 50. If we hit 1,100, it's going to be a $100 giveaway. Okay. Thank you guys so much for the support. This really helps because I'm trying to build up the Instagram over there, and it helps with exposure and things like that. So I definitely appreciate it, guys. Definitely appreciate it. It goes a long way, man. Even if you guys don't like my stuff, like just following me like makes a huge impact, man. All right. So Bitcoin back up to 55,400. Right at that resistance again. Ethereum 2686. Not really doing too much right now.
My fiance loves ID. She make naughty videos. Thinking of expanding.
Oh, she should start going into the OnlyFans, man. Tell her to get into some OnlyFans. I mean, I don't know if you want your girl doing OnlyFans. I don't know if you want other dudes kind of like, you know, but you do you, man. Dolphin fan, can you check Wave, please? Yeah, we can check Wave. We can check Wavy. We can get a little Wavy in here. Why not? I can't wait till I go down to Miami, man. I'm going to have a good time down there. I've been thinking about that for like the past couple of days. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice. Wave. Yeah. So look at this. Look at this on the daily chart since August of 2020. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7 touches on this upward resistance line. Absolutely amazing. It looks very similar to Chainlink on the weekly. You're kind of in like a rising wedge, which is typically bearish on the daily, but you're right at that resistance. Like, you break this, you're gone. It looks a lot like VeChain. When VeChain broke out of its rising channel, VeChain went up like 2x in the span of like 2 days. It looks very similar to that. Very, very, very similar. Now, if we look at on this in the daily, let's go to our fib retracements, take our high to our top here. Yeah, so you got 25. This is if you break out of it, right? You can easily get rejected and continue back lower for sure. These are your next 3 targets if you do break out of that. 25, 33, 42. Obviously, you're at a point in time where you every time you hit the top of here, you went back down to the bottom. So don't be surprised if you go back to the bottom, but looking pretty good, man. Looking pretty good. Thanks for the shout out, Neil. And Craig. Damn, we're at 759 likes. That's actually crazy. We're keeping up with that. You know, like we said earlier, we want to keep that likes halfway to the viewers. So that's freaking awesome. Thank you guys for the support, too. Every time you come in here, hitting that like button really does help with exposure, too. So, like I said, the goal for end of this week's 30K. It looks like we're going to blast through that. It really does at this point. Yeah, I mean, like, we're almost at 29.4. So, we're getting there. All right. Come on, BTC. Do it on stream, man. Do it on stream. All right. Let me catch up here. AL wants to look at Ave. Thank you for the super chat. Let's look at Ave for him.
Can you check out Big Token Bake?
Big Token Bake? Yeah, for sure, man. Stellar Lumens. Yeah, thanks, JB. I'll check out Stellar Lumens for you. I got a little bit of a line going on right now, but I'll catch up as far as I can get it. This is one of the biggest lines I've had lately, so I'll get there though. I'm always gonna go until I finish. Always. I'll never call it quits over here. Yeah. So Ave looks like could be in a descending triangle slash falling wedge. I mean, it's all depends on how you want to draw. It's all perspective, but
How's Stellar Lumens doing?
Stellar Lumens? Yeah, I'll take a look at Stellar. I think it's probably more of a symmetrical triangle, honestly. The more I look at this, yeah, symmetrical triangle. So if you break this to the upside, which it's going up to test it right now for Ave, you take your top to your bottom here and you extrapolate this to the upside. It's gonna put your breakout target somewhere like 763 for Ave. So Ave looking juicy too, man. Coming up from the upside, you got to give it that bullish bias to the breakout to the upside. So, man, everything looking good. All right, BTC's right at the resistance, guys. 476. So close, man. So freaking close to getting some massive green dildos up in this. I was gonna say it wrong. I was gonna say up in this bit, but I didn't say it. YouTube, I didn't say it. I know you're watching the stream. I didn't say it. All right, guys, we're at 1,044 followers. Like I said, I'm up in the giveaway from 50 to 100. Only if we hit 1,100 at the end of the stream. We're making our way here. We're only 50 away. So go follow me over there. Like I said, every follow counts. It really does help with exposure of my channel. So I definitely do appreciate it, man. Okay, 55. Man, BTC. ETH kind of dipped a little bit. ETH got all the way up to, didn't quite, got to 2,699. It didn't quite get to the 270. Not quite. Let's see. Ali with the 199 euro super chat. Thank you, Ali. Zach went fishing today. Caught a good bag. Came back. Market is popping off. Is this a sign that I should go fishing more? Yes. Yes, Zach guy. Go fishing more. Don't even look at the charts, dude. Just stay fishing, okay? Like, bring your bed onto your boat and just fish. Let's take a look at Algo, though. The stable coin of all stable coins, Algorand. As much as I hate on it, I own Algo. I do expect it to go up in a pretty good way at some point. It's been consolidating for so long. Algo at this point, like, it looks like it's just like an ascending triangle pattern that eventually has to break out. I mean, it's making higher lows, getting rejected at the same point on the top side. I do expect you to break this to the upside here at some point. Obviously, it looks very similar to what Cardano was doing the last couple, really, months, or kind of consolidating. I expect to move to 262. Very, very similar to Cardano's chart. Cardano's a little bit farther along in this, but nevertheless, Algo is looking there. A nice bounce in the last couple of days for Algo, too. Back above your 20-day moving average. Room to run in your 20 on your daily RSI. Looks really good, man. Man, BTC is teasing us, guys. I haven't been teased like this in a while, in multiple ways. I don't get teased. But 55,433 for BTC. I mean, we're right there, dude. Dennis, Bitcoin Cash, please, dude. You got it, man. BCH, the old Bitcoin Cash, now at number 11 on CoinMarketCap. Let's keep it there. No offense, Dennis. I know you love Bitcoin Cash. But you know, hey, in this world, people disagree, but we still get along, right? We still get along. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash broke its resistance. We looked at this earlier. Next target's 963 and 1,023 for Bitcoin Cash. I'm not going to spend too much time on it because we did look at it earlier. ETH looks like it's about to go again to 26.94 for ETH. Bitcoin right at that resistance, 56, almost 56,000, or sorry, 55,460. You guys are probably like, what? Bitcoin's at 56,000? Ali wants Filecoin. Check out Filecoin for Ali. Filecoin.
Have you looked at OGN yet?
I don't know, man. At this point, I have no idea. Jazz will probably tell you. Jazz will know better than I do at this point. Yeah, so Filecoin, you really just want to break this resistance. You break this resistance, you're going back up to your highs at least, right? But it's getting there. You back over your 4-hour EMA, you break this resistance, you're gone. And it's almost there. You go straight up, that resistance sitting right at about 163.93 right now for Filecoin, in all seriousness. QM, can you check out OXT? Thanks, Jay. Absolutely, QM. Appreciate it, man.
Love the live.
Appreciate it.
Can you take a look at CPC?
Um,
Keeping my eye on this one for a while.
Looks like Bitcoin's breaking out. Looks like Bitcoin's breaking out, guys. Filecoin OXT. All right, Bitcoin, come on, man. We know you want to do it at this point. Just friggin' do it, man. Like, it literally keeps going right up to that spot and just like not doing it. It's quite frustrating. As you see, Ethereum getting pretty close to its all-time highs again. Let's do OXT real quick for QM. I'm gonna kind of do a speed run through these guys. I'm gonna still take my time, but do a little bit of a speed run TA here. Yeah, so OXT, it's the same type of thing. Downwards resistance. You break this. Not like a lot of those altcoins. You break this resistance, you're gonna start to fly here. Quick Fibonacci extension. Yeah, so it's probably more like that. Yeah, so your resistance right at that next fib target. This one makes a lot more sense. So I'd probably say, like, if you can get back above your resistance, which is like kind of right near your next fib target, look for 83 cents to be coming next for OXT. All right, Bitcoin, Bitcoin did it, guys. Bitcoin, come on, don't do this to me. Don't make me jinx it. Don't make me jinx it, man. Code R said ETH busted 2,700 on Robinhood. Yeah, Robinhood's always higher than other things I've noticed. It's way higher. Way higher. All right, I think I just jinxed Bitcoin, guys. I just jinxed Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at 55,500, and then it came back down. I just freaking jinxed it, man. It's all right. It'll get back up there. Don't worry, guys. All right. Prony wants Ravencoin. Check out Ravencoin for Prony. Thank you for the super chat, my man, as always. Bitcoin's just going to recharge its batteries and go for it again. Let's see. Yeah, so Ravencoin, you broke this resistance. You came back down and back tested it as support, and now you're just riding that 4-hour EMA up, right? Yeah, you're right at your 382 fib. You break your 382 fib. Look for a move back up to 19.3 cents. If you break that, look at 20.9. Those are your next two targets for Raven. Everything just like, I'm looking at the bullish targets, guys, because like everything just looks bullish right now. Everything just looks really friggin' bullish. Unless Bitcoin out of nowhere, a whale sells, 3 billion Bitcoin. If Tesla sells 3 billion Bitcoin, then we can start looking at downwards targets. But everything looks bullish right now, which could change at any moment, obviously. But Antonio said, I'm late to the party. Have you looked at Anchor? Did I look at Anchor yet? No, I didn't. Did I? Oh, I did. But not in time, unfortunately. Antonio, I'll look at Anchor for you real quick, man. Anchor. Yeah, Anchor's going. I'm not going to spend too much time on it, Antonio, because I looked at it earlier, but next targets is 20.8 cents and 27.8 cents for Anchor. Anchor looks really bullish, bouncing off your 4-hour EMA and continuing up. Getting quite almost to that overbought territory on the 4-hour RSI. So you maybe need to have a little bit of cool-off session, but you still got a little bit more room to run. So you could still run a little bit. All right, Bitcoin's going for it again, guys. A little bit of a cool-off for BTC. Pumping those engines. Going back for it. Shay wanted Solana. Let's do Solana real quick. Yeah, you guys are coming out the woodwork today. Coming out the absolute woodwork. Solana. Yeah, Solana is just kind of consolidating after a pretty damn good run up. Like Solana, unlike the rest of the market, like from that bottom over here from April 18th, pumped almost 100%, even though really the rest of the market kind of dipped. So this is just a bullish consolidation for Solana. There's nothing really to worry about. It kind of just needed to cool off a little bit after having a huge run up. I do think it'll continue up here, just with how bullish Solana has been. Take a look at maybe your targets from this high to your low. Let's see if these match up here. Not too much, but I mean, you still got a couple targets here for Solana looking up. 53.2 and 58.7. All right, Bitcoin's right back at the resistance once again, guys. It's right there. It's right friggin' there. Thank you guys for the likes, dude. I mean, almost 900 likes on today's stream. That's crazy, man. All-time high was like 1,000. So, I mean, and I haven't even pushed it, right? I only asked for likes once. So, like, that's friggin' crazy. Let's see where we're on IG. Let's give this a quick refresh. 1,056, guys. We only need 44 followers to up the giveaway from 50 to 100. Okay? Only need 44 more. So go follow me on IG, guys, if you haven't already. I just posted the link in the chat. I just spammed it. And also, it's in the description. If you can't find it, it's right in the freaking description. Go follow me over there. We only need 44 more to hit 1,100. Okay? And then I'm doing a $100 giveaway to a random IG follower. Okay? So go do that. Appreciate it, guys. And if you do that, Bitcoin will pump to 57,000. But if you don't do it, Elon Musk is going to sell all of Tesla's Bitcoin. Okay? I'm telling you right now. It's karma. It's freaking karma, guys. Okay?
Harmony 1.
Harmony 1. Yeah, we can check it. You should have 16K likes. Thanks, Bruce. Thanks for the kind words, man. I love those kind words. Really does make my day, man. Nomadic said, still waiting on BCH. We did BCH, dude, so you're good, Nomadic. Antonio, how much water you drink a day? I said a gallon of water a day, man. Brand said, you check out TKO. It's been bouncing along its support for hours. Pretty sure it is. Maybe it's pumped by now. What was it? TKO, man? TKO. Let's see. I'm actually going to look at it on this because Toko Crypto. Nope, that's not it. TK. Nope, that's definitely not it. Holy crap. TKO. We'll look at it on here. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's about to go. It looks like it's about to go. You break this general resistance. You wicked up to it once, twice. You break that general resistance there. Look for a move that's for TKO up to 378 pretty damn easily. So TKO looks like it's about to fly too. So for sure, man. All right, Bitcoin back about 55,500. Let's not jinx it this time, guys.
Bigger prize giveaway, are we all on follow? Pro.
Bigger prize giveaway, are we all on follow? Yeah, I mean, I mean, a bunch of you guys are probably going to follow anyway. I mean, that's just the case, but.
My last super chat got ignored. Can you do DGB?
It didn't get ignored, man. I got a long. Any guys, if you guys think your super chat's getting ignored, it's not. It's because I got 1,000 super chats in here to go through. So it's not because I'm ignoring your super chat. It's just because I haven't got to it yet. Okay. Preet said, "Hey man, is Mana heading to $2? Probably, man. Bitcoin's about to blow though. Bitcoin is about to blow its load. Bitcoin's about to blow its load, man. There it is.
Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon.
There it is, guys. Bitcoin has blown its load. Blown its giant load. Come on, BTC. Don't stall out on me, man. Don't stall out on me, man. Come on.
Amigu, can you do Storm?
Can we do Storm? Yeah, we can do Storm, man. Let me check out Mana real quick. Well, Bitcoin's kind of stalling out. I'm assuming it's going to explode, but I got to get through these, guys. I got to get through these. I'll never be able to get off today, unfortunately. So that's just like, I don't really like getting off, but I got to get off. All right. So top. You actually broke this resistance, came back down, tested it. Looks like Mana is about to absolutely blow its load too. BTC is going off as we speak right now, guys. Next targets for Mana is between 152 and 155. If you break those, 188 is coming next. BTC's blowing its load right now. Giant green dildo. Holy man. Let's get this green dildo up to 57,586, shall we? Let's get it. You got it. So the problem where you are right now is like general technical analysis. You should get a massive green dildo here. The problem is, looking left, you got a bunch of price action in this area, right? So you got a ton of support and resistance in this general area. That's the one issue Bitcoin's having a problem with right now. But we'll see. We'll see what happens here. We should start exploding though. We should. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm here every day from 7 to 10 p.m. As always, as I always state. We almost got almost 500 subscribers on today's stream alone. So pretty freaking awesome, guys. Like the support is continuing to come, and you guys are literally making it happen, man. And I gotta thank the people that are here in the stream every day since like a lot of you guys haven't been here since literally day one, but there's been people in here, probably about 20, 30, maybe up to 50 of you guys that have literally been here since the first week I started streaming every single night, and the support is insane. Like I said, we got like a little family in this community now. It's when I started doing this, I thought I was gonna get like 10 viewers, dude. Seriously. All right, 57,586 for BTC should be our next target. We're kind of just getting a little stalling out because of all this price action here looking left, but man, these are exciting times, guys. Exciting times to be in the financial world, making this money. ETH is about to go back up to 2,700 as we speak too. $2,700 ETH might be in the cards for the first time ever, other than on Robinhood. Apparently it did hit $2,700 on Robinhood, but it is at that general level where it definitely could hit that level at some point. All right, let me get not too carried away here. KNC, what do you think short and long term this cycle? I'll check it out for you real quick, man. KNC short term, it looks like it could be maybe forming some type of cup and handle pattern, right? You got your cup. Looks like you're maybe starting to form some handle here. You break that to the upside. Your general upwards target from bottom to top is looking like, yeah, it's looking like up here. 432, perfect confluence. Your previous wick over here, 10 cents. You're sitting at $3. I think most altcoins will still do a 10x from here. So I think a $30 KNC is definitely still possible. I think most coins will still do a 10x in my opinion. Yeah, Cam, if I have time, I'll check out Store J, man. I think I checked out Store J a little bit while ago. So maybe if I don't know, after the stream, I do have the timestamps in the stream. So if you want to check it out after the stream, I might have talked about it earlier. Jazz Watts, new watcher, I like so far. Can you look at Nano? Looks like it's ready to go in the 1 hour. Can you verify? Yeah, Nano. On the 1 hour time frame, you said it's ready to go? Yeah, 1 hour time frame looks really good. You look here, you had bullish divergence on the 1 hour chart here. You had higher lows. Get out of here, line. Higher lows here, lower lows on your RSI. Should have bullish divergence, should push you back to the upside. You're kind of, don't know why you're stalling out here. You should continue to move up here on Nano. You take your top to your bottom here for Nano. Yeah, I mean, you should, yeah, next resistance I'm seeing is 1038. You should continue up here as long as BTC doesn't like weasel its way to the bathroom and you know, take a number two, right? I mean, you should be pretty good. 1038, and then probably some resistance at your 0.618 fib at 1134. Let's see. Remember to check on Hot. Want to know if we want to get me out of my shithole country? Yeah, check out Hot. Hollow Hot. Hot looks like a nice. It's a little awkward, but you can see the general sentiment of what I'm talking about, right? You got nice cup here. Got your nice handle. Looks like it's ready to break out for Hot. Looks like it's ready and trying to break out for Hot. So you should break out on this. I don't know if I want to count from the bottom here. I'm gonna take it from this low because that other bottom was kind of wacky. It's gonna put you upwards of 2.4 cents for Hot. I do think Hot is gonna see these highs again over the course of the next couple days. All right, ETH chilling, Bitcoin chilling. I'm gonna try to bust through some of these real quick. TA on Zilbud, you got it, man. A lot of these coins we looked at earlier, guys. Just keep that in mind. Zil, we looked at this earlier. Got rejected off 22 cents. You're holding your 1 hour EMA. 4 hour looks super bullish, right? You pumped straight up to 22 cents. At this point where Bitcoin is right now, I mean, don't be surprised after this big pump up for ZIL if maybe if you come back down, retest this 4-hour EMA, and then continue up to your next target here, which is 25.46. If you break 25.46, look for 33.1 for ZIL. Paul wanted waves. Holy crap, man. Waves.
You actually got a nano. Thanks.
You got it, man. I'm making my way through there, guys. I'm not forgetting about your super chats. Don't worry. And I still got you guys in the Discord. Don't you guys worry either. Waves. Look at this. We looked at this earlier too, man. We looked at this earlier. So waves. You got a nice cup and handle pattern forming here right under its previous resistance. If you zoom out, you're just in a giant rising wedge, very similar to what VeChain was in the other day, where it did break to the upside and did a 2x. So if you break out of this rising wedge, 25, 55, 33, 82, 42, 54 are your next three targets there based on your Fibonacci, your last consolidation Fibonacci extension targets. If you do get rejected here, look for a move back down to the bottom of the wedge. All right, I gotta bust through some of these real quick, guys. VTHO for Amanda. Thank you for the super chat, Amanda, as always. VTHO. See what VTHO is doing. Does Jordan ever check XRP? I do. And not a lot of people ask about XRP. Surprisingly, as much as it went up, not a lot of people ask about XRP. VTHO. Yeah, once you broke this resistance, you were gone. You actually came back down, back tested your previous resistance as new support. And now looks like you're just, about to bounce off that 4-hour EMA again and continue up to your next target.
Congrats on 1K likes.
1K likes? Oh, wow. We got to 1,000 likes, dude. Thank you guys. You guys, that's awesome, man. I think we're about to break our all-time high likes. I think our all-time high likes was like 1,026. So thank you guys. That's freaking awesome. Like I said, I haven't even asked more than once today. So that's awesome. We also, on IG real quick, before I go back to that, 1,091 guys. We only need 9 more followers on IG to up the giveaway from 50 to 100. 9 freaking more, guys. 9 freaking more. And guys, don't follow me if you're just gonna unfollow me, right? Like, don't be one of those guys. If you're just gonna unfollow me, like, don't be one of those guys.
Can you look at DSLA protocol?
DSLA protocol? Yeah, we can check it out. Links in the description for the IG, guys. Go follow me. We need 9 more followers over to hit the goal. We're killing the goals, guys. We are killing the freaking goals over here on this channel. So appreciate the support as always. I'm gonna be doing a bunch more stuff with IG. I'm gonna be making a bunch more graphics. Doing lives on IG during the day when I'm bored. I'm gonna be doing lives down in Miami, showing you guys what I'm up to down there on IG. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of stuff over there. I'm not just telling you to follow me just to follow me. I'm gonna be a bunch of content coming over there. All right, VTHO, next resistance, 2.2, and then if you break that, probably, and most likely, you're probably going up to your highs, right? 2.2 and 2.8 for VTHO coming up next. Bitcoin, 55,700 as we speak right now, fellas and ladies. I can't forget about the ladies. I've been forgetting lately, but I don't forget about you. I never forget about you ladies. Trust me. I don't. Even though I'll never settle down. I'm not gonna say I'll never settle down, but I don't have any plans to for a while. Living the bachelor life right now. It's pretty nice. The single bachelor life is.
Tom, man, I've been watching your show every night. How did you learn?
55,700. How did I learn, man? A lot of, I wouldn't even say months, years of watching other people. Exactly what you're doing right now, right? Years of watching other people, and it just basically comes off experience, man. And it comes off of having a quick eye for things. Like, obviously, when I stream here, I got to quickly look at support, resistances, this, that, patterns. It does take a lot of like knowing what you're doing really quick to see kind of patterns really quickly. Yeah, you can stare at a chart for like 5-10 minutes and maybe find a pattern, but to do it instantly when you look at a chart, sometimes it can be tough, man. It does take a toll on your eyes too. I'll give it that. 55,713 for BTC as we start to creep up here. Nicole said I changed my mind. I want the floss stance. Emmanuel with the $2 super chat. Michael said hi from France. Can you check out Sia Coin? Yeah, I'll check out Sia Coin in a second, but we're getting BTC pumping. Hold on. I forget how the friggin' chicken dance goes now. Because, yeah, we hit 1100. So, I forget how the friggin' chicken dance goes, but as Bitcoin's pumping. Hold on. Yeah. I forget how it goes. I forget the third part. I know it's like, I forget. But you guys got to see me do a chicken dance real quick. 55,756 as we continue up. 57,586 is my next target for BTC here. What's going on, Jake, man? Thanks for joining the stream, dude. We're seeing good things in the crypto market right as you join, man. So it's good to see. Good days here in crypto. Good days, man. Not so doomy and gloomy anymore. Remember everyone, literally how gloomy everyone was down here? Literally 2 days ago, everyone was like, the bull market's over. The bull market's over, guys. Oh no, we're going to zero. Should I sell all my positions? Should I sell? Is this the bear market? Now everyone's bullish as hell. Like I always say, guys, it's so funny how the sentiment just flips on a dime like that. It's really funny, guys. That's why I always recommend hodling, not worrying about your emotions. Sit back, let the market do what it wants to do. You'll be all right. Okay? All right? Seriously, guys.
BTT, please.
All right. Let me I gotta catch up on some of these, dude. Sia Coin. All right, did I do Sia Coin? I don't think I did Sia Coin yet. No, I didn't do Sia Coin. Sia Coin. What is going on for Sia Coin? Well, Sia Coin Bitcoin looks pretty good. I didn't mean to click that though. Sia Coin looks really good, man. Yeah, you just broke. Yeah. Well, you're right at it. But like you generally just broke that resistance. So Sia Coin could be going back up to from top to bottom. Yeah, it's more so right there. You look up here, I think definitely next resistance is 4.9 cents. And then after that, you're most likely going up to your highs at about 6.3 cents for Sia. But Sia, looking good. Looking good. As long as Bitcoin doesn't take a dump, right?
Look at Mana go see why I love it heart.
Tyler, we just looked at Mana, man. I'll look at it for you real quick, but we literally just looked at Mana, man. Yeah, Mana going off. Next target's 152 to 155, man. But yeah, Mana broke this resistance, back tested it, and continued up. Let's see. Sia Chode Coin. Is that actually a thing? No way it is. Oh, come on, man. Don't be playing around. Chode Coin's not an actual coin, man. You guys are too funny, dude. Johnny said, can you take a look at Blink? Take a look at Blink real quick. Blink 102. Blink 1025. Blink, it's not on this. Let me see if Blink's maybe on here. All right, maybe this is it. Not a lot of data. Not a lot of data with this thing, but it looks like it's getting a nice bounce with the rest of the market. Let's see, you really can't make a resistance line, but On the daily, it looks really good. The daily, you break... Yeah, you break this general level right here on the daily. You're probably going back up to at least 22 cents for Blink. Looks good, though.
Bitcoin gold, please.
Bitcoin gold? Sure. A family friend is an executive at Tesla, and behind closed doors, the suits are considering accepting Bitcoin Cash as a form of payment because of low trans fees. Interesting, Dennis. That's definitely interesting. If they do that, maybe I'll have to stop. I hope Bitcoin gets constipation. Me too. I hope Bitcoin gets a lot of constipation. That's good, Mama. That's a good one, man. That's really good. But yeah, if that does happen, Dennis, I'll definitely probably consider my stopping my hate on Bitcoin Cash. My fiance loves IG. She makes naughty videos.
I hope ETC gets constipation.
Can you check out Bake Token Bake? Sure, man. I don't know what Bake Token is, but we can definitely check it out. Why not, man?
Can you check out AMP Crypto? And thoughts on it?
Yeah, Bake Token's right at its all-time high, man. Right at its all-time high. You break that all-time high for Bake. Let's look at where you could go if you break that all-time high. You take your top to your bottom here. If you break that high, look at 379 and then 565 for Bake. Okay. Bitcoin looks like it's about to blow again. It's about to blow its load. Bitcoin's got loads up the wazoo right now. So much loads. JB, how's Stellar Lumens looking? XLM, huh? ETH is almost at 2,700 again, guys. Like we're getting some big pumps right now from a lot of coins. This is exciting, man. XLM is, yeah. I mean, XLM, you break 52 cents. Stake your fibs. It's not perfect on this one, but yeah, I mean, you break that level, you probably go up to 57 cents, and then you could probably go up to your highs. Honestly, just looking at basic support and resistance and your Fibonacci extensions, these are probably your next targets. Makes a lot of sense for those. But XLM, man, XLM hasn't really been a stable coin lately.
That's an XLM stablecoin.
Hasn't really been a stable coin, guys. So XLM is looking mighty good. Mighty good. ETH. $2,700 ETH, guys.
Strap up, we're going to the moon. Strap up, we're going to the moon.
27.5 for ETH.
LTC?
ETH continues to blow all our mind. Everyone that's saying Ethereum was dead. Everyone saying Ethereum was dead. This is you guys eating your shoe, okay? This is you guys eating your shoe.
Can you check 1-inch token?
1-inch token. We can check out 1-inch for sure. All right, guys. I guess I'm not.
Buddy, French guy can now go to bed.
French guy can now go to bed. Good night, my man. Hope you sleep well, knowing you got some crypto gains today, hopefully. Unless you're investing in Safe Moon or something like that, you know?
Can you look at Litecoin?
Litecoin? Yeah, dude. 1,122 on Instagram, guys. You guys are killing it. Like I said, I am doing a giveaway at the end of the stream, whenever that is at this point, because I got a bunch of super chats to go through. I might be staying up a little bit later today, even seeing some price action from Bitcoin, Ethereum. It might be a late stream today, guys. I'm not going to lie. We might even do a 4-hour stream tonight. At this point, you know? Because this is insane, dude. ETH, 2710 for Ethereum right now, guys. We can just continue to rock it. All right. Jeff said you look at OGN yet? I'm pretty sure we did look at OGN a while ago, dude. A lot of you guys are asking about coins we already did. I'll look at it real quick again for you, though. Real quick. OGN. It's not the right chart, dude. OGN, Origin Protocol. Yeah, so Origin. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so you broke your resistance, and now you're gonna go for Origin. So I expect probably a move back up to at least 21 or 2.14. You break that, it's looking like probably 255 continuing up here for Origin based on basic support and resistance levels. ETH just continuing up, guys. Continuing up. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm here every day from 7 to 10 Eastern Standard Time. I stream every single day. So make sure you guys don't miss out on the stream, okay? Also, hit that alert box button if you guys haven't hit it yet. It does alert you when I go live, in case you guys do forget. All right, so OGN, CVC. I think we looked at CVC earlier too. Like I said, a lot of you guys are asking about coins I already did earlier. So if it keeps going like that, I'm probably going to just tell you guys to rewind, because at this point, it's kind of getting a little ridiculous. CVC.
Can you take a look at SHR?
SHR, yeah, we can do that. So CVC, you just broke this resistance coming down. And you actually came back down and back tested it, and now you're just continuing up to the upside. So,
What up, Jordan?
What's up, man?
Awesome day today. What's your thought on ZLR?
ZLR? Yeah, we can check it out. Yeah, so if you break this resistance, look for a move up to 59 cents. If you break that, you're probably going back up to 64 cents based on support and resistance and Fibonacci extensions. But yeah, I mean, CVC looks just as bullish as pretty much everything in the world does right now, right? Every coin looks bullish right now, with ETH pushing 2710, man. Ethereum is leading the market right now. Bitcoin's not even leading the market. Ethereum is leading the freaking crypto market right now. Right? Ethereum continuing to make all-time highs. April 15th, April 22nd, today. Bitcoin, on the other hand, making lower highs. So, interesting. Ethereum just leading the market lately. Really is. All right. Guys, I might have to take a little number 2 break. Or no, sorry. A number 1 break. I meant to say number 1. I said number 2. I might have to take a number 1 break because I have been chugging this water. You know? Let me do a couple more, and then I'll probably take a number 1 break. Not a number 2, not a number 2 break, a number 1 break. All right, I'm not dropping any green dildos. Not dropping green dildos. Yet, I mean, it's funny. We got 1620 viewers in here. We got the Plymouth when Plymouth was founded, Plymouth, Massachusetts, in 1620. It's number 2, don't lie. I wouldn't be able to go that quick, man. I wouldn't be able to go that quick. Like, you guys see how you guys see how fast I would go over there. Then it wouldn't be that quick. All right, CVC. Allie wanted ICX. What's going on, Allie? Hoping you're having a good day. ICX. What's going on with ICX? Very, very similar to a lot of altcoins. Like, they're all making this kind of just this rounded out, bouncing off your 4-hour EMA constantly. All looking really good. I mean, you got a general resistance at that level. You break that level, though, Allie, you could be going up, back up to your high. Like, back up to 282 pretty quickly.
I almost sold at the bottom last week, but controlled my emotions.
There you go, my man.
I am in profit. Your stream helped slightly smiling face.
It's why when if you guys ever feel like selling, wait to my stream, okay? Wait, if you guys feel like selling before my stream ever, wait to my stream. I will give you the word of wisdom on the red days, okay? I am the gospel, the preacher on the red days. This is where you want to be. I will talk you guys not into panic selling, okay? Every single time. I've heard, you know how many stories I've heard about people almost selling this bottom and not, and now their portfolio is back up 67%, 70%, just because they say they listened to me and I told them not to panic sell. So it's really good to see. Obviously, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just here to tell you what I'm going to do. I'm telling you, I wouldn't sell. It's not a good idea. And a lot of you guys, fortunately, salvaged a good amount of your portfolio for that. So it's good to see. It's good to see. It really is. All right. Let's freaking see. ICX, yeah. So 282 and 320 are your next two targets moving up here for ICX, and it looks like you're going to continue up. You are getting to that point where the 4-hour RSI might be a little overbought, but nevertheless, you could still go higher here. You've gone up higher in the past. ETH back up to 27.10 as we speak right now. Man, I got to check my... Hold on. I gotta check my thing here, because holy day, what a friggin' day for me. Wow. Okay. What a day. ICX. Roberts wanted Harmony 1. We actually haven't looked at Harmony 1 yet. Harmony 1. What's going on with Harmony? Harmony. Yeah, see, you got this downwards resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4. You broke it, came back down, back tested it. Also back tested your 4-hour EMA perfectly, which should be your springboard to push you back up to these higher levels. Now you got a bunch of resistance looking left, just because you've been consolidating in this area for so long. But your two major ones I'm seeing is like 16.4 cents and 22.2. Those are your next two targets. Those are your next two targets. So exciting stuff. Exciting stuff. ETH 27.0886. We're going, guys. Again. Boom, 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 boom. All right. All right, StormX. All right, we hit 1,200 likes, guys. You guys are, you guys are destroying the like button, man. Thank you guys so much. StormX for Bradley. We're catching up on these super chats, guys. We're slowly but surely catching up on these super chats. StormX, right at that resistance. Right at that resistance. You break this resistance, man. Your two major resistances you got to look out for are 71 cents and then your highs, right? You break this resistance, you're at least going back up to 7.1, if not 9.9, okay?
Your videos have helped me afford green dildos. Student coin will help me buy a house. Slightly smiling face. P.S. Is that a jug of moonshine making you go number 2?
Pretty much, man. No, if this was moonshine, I'd be off my rocker. I don't even know if I could do one shot of moonshine at this point in my life. I'd probably be destroyed. Hell, I drink like 4 beers now and I'm friggin' lit. You know what I mean? Seriously. All right, yeah, that's basically StormX. My last super chat ignored. Can you do DGB? I'm not ignoring super chats, guys. Like I said, not ignoring super chats. Just going through them in order here. Holy crap, man. DGB. Yeah, I mean, it looks the same as every altcoin, dude. Like, I mean, you have a pretty decent resistance at this little level. Resistance back here from April 21st. That's why you're having a tough time doing it. But You can see the general structure, right? Cup and the handle bouncing off that 4-hour EMA, cup and handle. This should bounce you back up to higher levels. Should bounce you back up to somewhere around right near your highs, right? Look at that. 17 cents puts you right near your highs are back from April 21st. So awesome, awesome friggin' stuff there for DGB. Bigger prize giveaway, or are we all in follow? Crow? Yeah, I'll do Crow. I'll do the giveaway in a second, guys. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I'm not forgetting. And I still got you guys in the Discord, too. Not forgetting about you guys. ETH just hit new all-time highs again. 27, 11, 20, 55. Ethereum continues to rocket to the upside. I'm going to do Crow, and then I'm going to take a quick bathroom break. Kind of like maybe like a little halftime bathroom break. And then I'm obviously going to come back, finish up all the super chats, finish up the Discord, do the giveaway, do the Crypto Madness winners, all that stuff. We still got a bunch of stuff to go on in the show here today. So Crow, we talked about it earlier, 20.8 cents, 22.7, 24.9. We talked about it earlier, so if you want deeper analysis, go back. But, I mean, that's pretty much it, man. Pretty much it. I mean, you're just bouncing off your 4-hour EMA, and these are your next 3 targets here for Crow. If Bitcoin dumps at some point, look for Doe to dump. Other than that, looking pretty good. All right. I'm going to go take a number 1, not a number 2. I'm not going to be dropping any brown dildos. All right. I'm just one yellow laser beam. And I will be back in like 2 seconds, guys. Don't miss me too much. Don't miss me too much. Be right back. I'll keep it on ETH here as ETH is breaking new all-time highs, 27.12 as we speak. Be right back, guys. We back. We're back in action. All right, ETH not really doing much right now. Bitcoin chilling. All right, let's finish these off, guys. Let's go through these. Let's not get distracted, Jordan. I know you like to look at the chat and get distracted. I couldn't hodl it any longer. I really couldn't, dude. I really couldn't. I was like, you guys probably can't see below. I was like jumping around over here. Anyways, Amigo, can you do Storm? I think we just did Storm, man. We literally just did Storm. So rewind a little bit. You probably saw it, though. Sia Coin and Harmony One. We did. All right. If I already talked about the coin, guys, I'm going to tell you guys to rewind. We did do Sia Coin, and we literally just did Harmony One as well. Jaswat, I actually got the nano. You're welcome. Congrats on 1K likes from Shaf. Thank you, Shaf. Mamba, you look at DSLA protocol. Look at DSLA protocol here. DSLA protocol. What's going on with DSLA protocol? That was too fast? It was pretty fast, huh? It was pretty fast. DSLA protocol looks like a nice cup and handle pattern here too. That's about ready to break out. You can see a lot of these cup and handle patterns. We're getting to cup and handle pattern season again. You break this general resistance. That's the breakout of the cup and handle. Target, bottom to top, and we extrapolate that at your breakout point. If I can get the cross, there we go. It's gonna put your target upwards of 2.8 cents for DSL. So that looks pretty freaking good. You obviously probably get some resistance. Thank you to you and the mods for the streams from United Kingdom. Thanks, Brad. Thanks, Brad. Love my euros over here, man. It's probably super late over there. It must be like, what, 2, 3 a.m. over there? Yeah, so, I mean, that's your target. 2.8 cents for DSLA. Quee said, thank you for TA, man. We're watching you every night. How did you learn? Like I said, I just been watching people for years, man. Dingleberry, BTT. I think we already looked at BTT, but I'll do it one more time for you, man. BTT, you broke out of the falling wedge. Usually when you break out of a falling wedge, your target is the top of the wedge, which sits at about 1.3 cents. Look for 0.96 and 1 cent to be some resistance first, though. But yeah, nice bullish back test of your previous resistance, flip to support, and now you continue up, dude. Let's see. All praise the mighty boy Smem. We looked at mana for Tyler. We looked at mana already. I'll look at mana one more time too, because I know it was pumping. So we'll look at a little green dildo action here. Yeah, mana is pumped, man.
All praise the mighty boy SMINEN.
We did mana. Wow, what's going on, Andrew? $100 super chat drop from Andrew. What's going on, man? I haven't seen you in a while, dude. Maybe I haven't really been looking too hard, but...
One half, then squeeze the other half into my eyes for you. Poppy Jordan, I will continue to do so at 7 p.m. every day until my mid-30s, then perform a synchronization from the third parcel and ascend into your prescription level.
I'm so confused, Andrew. I gotta reread that in a little bit, but... I gotta reread that in a little bit. Thank you so much, Andrew. That's like I said, that's always generous. You're always super generous over here, so appreciate it, man.
Is Uniswap a goodbye?
I gotta reread what Andrew just said. I have no idea what you just said, dude. I gotta reread it. Jam said Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, let's do Bitcoin Gold. All right, guys. No more super chats today because I gotta catch up. I've been live for 3 hours. No more super chats today. If you're gonna do a super chat about a coin, it has I gotta put a limit on it. I can't be doing every $2 super chat. And if you want it from this point going forward, if you want a coin to be looked at, it's got to be at least $10. All right, because eventually I gotta get off. All right, but from this point onwards. Any coins you want to talk about, it's got to be $10 or more super chat at this point, because, yeah, I'm still backlogged here. Definitely still backlogged. Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, I mean, Bitcoin, this is a 4-hour chart. So, I mean, there's not a lot of data on this. Hold on. Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, this is the only chart I got on this thing. But yeah, I mean, you break this general 97.92 for Bitcoin Gold. It looks like you're going to, looks like you got to go probably up to, 119. And if you break 119, probably going up to your highs. Probably going up to your highs at 159 for Bitcoin Gold. You guys are too funny, man. Matic just pumped. Yeah, we'll check it out. We'll check it out before I go. ETH back up to 27.11. So ETH just continues to roll, guys. Gonna start charging for timestamps. No, it's not because I don't want to. I still want people to be able to ask about the coins, but it's just tonight. Like I at some point I got to get off. So like I can't have people doing $1 $1 coin requests, especially at 10 o'clock. You know what I mean? That's all. Aaron say, can you check out AMP Crypto? Any thoughts on it? Yeah, we check out AMP. Hayden with the $10 super chat. You guys just keep them coming, man. I'm gonna be up to friggin' midnight at this point, dude. Up to friggin' midnight. El Lachiro, gotta be a $10 super chat going forward, man, because at this point, dude, I am so backlogged. I'm gonna be here till at least 11. So gotta be it's gotta be a $10 super chat from here on out, man.
Anchor, please.
But anyone who sent it before I said that is fine. All right, anyone who said that before is fine. It's fine.
Can you check out
So AMP.
What do you think about Cosmos?
Tom said I'm not getting off. Pretty much, man. At this point, dude, it's not looking too good. It's not looking too good for me. All right, AMP. So you broke back above your 4-hour EMA. You broke this big resistance coming down. You didn't quite come back down and test your 4-hour EMA, but I still expect your next move to be up to 6.8 cents, and then after that you got 7.9, which is basically your 1.618 Fibonacci from your top to your bottom here. So that's really AMP. Not much else besides that, but AMP obviously looks super good still. I hope Bitcoin gets constipated. Me too. Zach. Thank me too, Mama. Thank you, dude. Zach said, can you check out one inch 24-hour stream? Dude, I think I would die if I did 24-hour stream. Like, I don't know how some of those gamers can do 24-hour streams. I mean, I guess they're just playing a game, so it's a little more interesting, a little more fun, I guess. Even though I do have fun doing this, I can't do it for 24 hours, though. But I don't know how people can do 24-hour streams, man. I'd literally pass out. Yeah, so 1 inch, just kind of 1 inch. Look at these. Look at all these 1 inch dildos. And this one's like 3 inches. You got 3 inches, 1, 1, 1. A bunch of 1 inch dildos making its way to its next target at 569. And then after that, 627 for 1 inch coming up next. So 1 inch still looking pretty fine. Pretty fine. So, yeah, that's really it for 1 inch. Barry said Litecoin. Check out Litecoin real quick. Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin, big green dildo. Big green dildo. It's exactly when Bitcoin broke out. So look for 284.64, previous high from April 22nd. It's probably your next target for Litecoin. All these altcoins looking really good right now. All these Litecoins looking really good. Actually, I'm curious where Ethereum is right now. ETH 2712, man. ETH is just rock solid green dildo right now. Law 67 with a $5 super chat. I don't see any message in there. Thank you, man. Aaron, can you look at Litecoin? We actually just looked at Litecoin, so that's perfect. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, buddy. The French guy can now go to bed. Thank you, Michael. Appreciate it. I'm sure you're already bed by now, but it is what it is. Brunswick, what up, Jordan? Awesome, another day. What's your TA on Seller? Seller is... let's see, Seller Network. Yeah, so Seller, man, you crushed that. Crush that resistance. So we look here for Seller. Yeah. So really, man, you got a bunch of support resistances here. 7.3 cents might give you a little headway. If not, look for 7.9 cents for Seller here. And if not that, look for 9.5 for Seller. Okay. But you're getting pretty oversold on your 4-hour RSI. So you might need a little bit of a cool down here as you are oversold on your 4-hour RSI. Freddie wants SHR. Let's check SHR. Just for anyone who joined the stream right now, just because I've been live for 3 hours, actually, let's just cut off super chats. No more super chats today. Let's just cut it off. Honestly, because it's one of those things where it's about time, right? It's about friggin' time at this point. Sharing. Yeah, I mean, you generally got downward resistance. You ever break this, you instantly go back up, you know, most likely to the first touch point of that resistance. It's looking like it wants to do it, right? I mean, you came back up here, you bounced right after your 4-hour EMA, and now you're continuing up. So sharing the love. Sharing is sharing the love, hugging us with its gains here, or gains that's probably about to have, right? So sharing looks good. Thanks for the streams, bro. I almost sold it. Yeah, thanks, Sam. Appreciate it. Lucas with a 199 super chat. Thank you, Lucas. Joseph with a $5 super chat. Thank you, Joe. Jose. Not a student coin will help you buy a house. I hope, man. Student coin I know is doing super freaking good, dude. So I'm happy for you, man. Brad, thank you to the mods and streams from I think it was England. You said. Thank you, Brad. One per super chat, San. I'll check out Safe Moon for you once, just because I'm curious of where Safe Moon is at the moment, actually, too. Not because I actually want to look at it, but I'm curious. Safe Moon still getting destroyed here. Everything else is bouncing, and Safe Moon is still continuing down. Safe Moon's still down 61% from its highs. Yeah, man. I mean, at least you're making higher lows, I guess, on Safe Moon, right? At least you're making higher lows here. Maybe you could be in some type of maybe symmetrical triangle or something. But I mean, at this point, like, who knows with Safe Moon? You can pump out of nowhere, dude. Who knows, dude? All right, that's Safe Moon. I just cut up. So Andrew, I gotta read this. I just cut a lime in half, ate one half, then squeezed the other half into my eyes for you, Poppy Jordan. What? Why did you do that, man? I'll continue to do so at 7 p.m. every day until my mid-30s, then perform a synchronization from the third partial and ascend into your prescription level. Dude, I am so confused about the second sentence, but the first sentence was friggin' hilarious, man. All praise the mighty boy Smeminem. Smeminem. Just kidding, guys. I'm not like that. Someone said I'm Eminem. So, is Uniswap a good buy? I think most altcoins are still good buys. Most altcoins are relatively down from the lows. I think Uniswap is actually pretty close to its all-time highs. So, dude, and honestly, I think any time buying an altcoin is good times. You're gonna make money at the end of the year, dude. It obviously it's not the best time. You probably should have bought a couple days ago, but nonetheless, I still think it's a good buy for any altcoin. I really do. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm getting towards the end here. SB, Kai, can you check out FM? Check out FM for SB. What was it? Hold on. What was it? FTM, my bad. Phantom Coin. Yeah, Phantom Coin's at its highs. Or it's at its big resistance here. 54 cents. You break through 54 cents. These are your next two resistances looking up. Right? High from March 1st. High from February 24th. After that, dude, you're in black screen territory. Well, not really, but we'll take a look at our fib targets once you break these. But, man, Phantom Coin looks really good. Super good bounce here for Phantom Coin. Super good bounce. All right. I think I got a couple more here. El Lachiro said, can you check out Adam? What do you think about Cosmos? Cosmos.
Sit down. You've been standing for over 2 hours.
Sit down. You've been standing over 2 hours. I've been standing for over 3 hours, actually. Make sure you get the get it right there. Cosmos is, why is it getting resistance right here? It shouldn't really get resistance. You really have much resistance all the way up until 24.40. You break 24.40. I'm seeing 26.48 for Cosmos. So Cosmos is continuing up here, and then obviously you have your highs up at 28.51. But Cosmos, just like most other altcoins, you pumped, you back tested your 4-hour EMA, now you're going again. So awesome stuff for Cosmos. You are getting to that close to that 4-hour oversold territory, so just be careful though. Okay. And then Hayden wanted Anchor, And then that should be it there for super chats. So that is pretty friggin' sweet. I'm not going to lie there. Thank you guys for the support as always. But holy crap, man. Support was crazy today. Support was crazy today. You guys had me working overtime. But yeah. Anchor still looks decent. I mean, it's really just oscillating between 20.8 and 11.9 cents. So look for, at this point, look for probably a move back up to 20 cents. And if you break 20 cents, 20.8, you're going to be out to 27.8 pretty quickly for Anchor. All right, that's that. Let me take a look at what we got in the Discord, guys. I'll do a few from the Discord. Holy crap, man. I think we probably did most of these, like Shaft. We did Harmony 1. TKO. I think maybe, yeah, we did TKO. Chrisek, you asked for it in a super chat, actually, so that works. Shaft, can we look at Soul? Ask for Soul and Link. All right, I'll do Soul for you, Shaft, just because I'm out of time. Soul. Yeah, Solana. We looked at this earlier, but next target for Solana is this one. My bad. Is 2.618 fib at 58.52. That's your next target for Solana. If you can get back above this 4-hour EMA and continue up. Then we did Harmony 1, so that's good. Who went in a fight? 500 Chihuahuas, 100 Rottweilers. I would go with the 500 Chihuahuas. I think 5 Chihuahuas would kill 1 Rottweiler, man. In my opinion, dude. Hey, man, can you check out Anchor and possible long-term price? Thanks, like you're the best. Yeah, I mean, Anchor, where is it right now? Anchor's at long-term price. I mean, it's at 16 cents. So think about it. It's on Coinbase. As soon as you start to see the retail FOMO, I think you could easily be seeing probably at least a $1 Anchor. I think a $1 to $1.50. I think most altcoins will still do a 10x from here. I'm pretty confident in that. So yeah, that's my guess, right? About a 10x is about $1.60. That makes a lot of sense. It's tough to do anything besides that. I just think that altcoins still have a lot of room. We're gonna see another big altcoin rally towards the end of this year. Like, we haven't seen anything yet, guys. Like, this is the precursor to what is going to come at the end of this year. Johnny said check Filecoin. I think we checked out Filecoin already, but we'll check it again, Johnny. Filecoin. Yeah, it's coming right up at its... you got to obviously break this resistance. You got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. You break this resistance, you're going up to 237, Johnny. Do 2 separate $50 ones for IG. I could maybe do that. Quest for Link. Yeah, we'll check out Link, and then we'll do the IG giveaway. I'll pick the IG giveaway winner first, guys. If you want to we hit 1,100 followers today, guys. So if you want to enter the IG follower giveaway before I do it, make sure you guys go follow me on IG. Links in the description, and I just posted it in the chat there. So go follow me over there. I'm going to be doing the giveaway in just a second. Okay. Like I said, don't follow me if you're just going to unfollow me. Like it kind of defeats the purpose, guys. So I think it is what it is. I mean that's just being a typical human, right? But you guys can do what you want, I guess. What was the Chainlink? One more Chainlink, and then we'll do the IG giveaway before I go insane over here. Chainlink. You got this resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're right at that resistance. You break this, you're probably going to go back up to test your long-term resistance line, which sits like between, like, depending on how long it takes to get up there, 48 to $50 for Chainlink. So Chainlink looks really good. Chainlink's really good. Nice little bull flag, honestly.
Super chat just because you said not to, so suck it.
He said super chat just because you said not to, so suck it. Thanks, Shaw. Appreciate it, man. That's funny, dude. Yeah, nice little bull flag for Chainlink. I do expect you to continue up here for Chainlink. All right, before my voice starts to go away, because usually, like, when I get to the 3 hour mark, my voice starts to go away. So I don't lose my voice. Let's do the IG giveaway. Even this lady knows the floss. Oh, the floss. I don't know how to do it that well, but now I know how to do it. Hope he isn't rubbing one out to ETH when I went to the bathroom. That's pretty funny. All right, let's do the IG giveaway before people are like, just do it, man, so I can go to bed. All right, let's do it. All right, so how we're going to do this, I'll give you guys one more shot. If you guys want to enter, go follow me on IG. Don't follow me if you're just going to unfollow me like that. Like that. That's friggin' stupid, guys. Like, that's friggin' stupid. Like I said, I'm probably going to be doing these at least once a week for IG. So, like, probably like maybe at 2,000 followers, I'll do another one. Every 1,000 followers, I'll probably do a $100 giveaway. So you're better off just staying followed, because I'll probably obviously going to be doing more giveaways in the future. But go follow me over there. I'll give you guys like 10 more seconds, and then I will do the giveaway. All right. So let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. I'm refreshing. I'll give you one more second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Here we go, guys. So we hit 1,164 today. That's freaking awesome. Now, I need to figure out a better way to do this, but how I'm going to do this is I'm just going to randomly scroll through here, and then I'm going to pick a random person. I'm going to keep my eyes below my hat so I can't see who I'm picking. Okay, you guys can see I can't see. Right? I'm going to go down and I'm going to go up. Right? A bunch of times, right? Bunch of freaking times. Obviously, like I said, I got to figure out a better way to do this. But this is how I got right now. So I'm going to stay near the top because that's the people that obviously followed today. But we shall see. I'm going to do this a couple times here. I'm going to pick someone completely random. Completely friggin' random. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to stay towards the top. I'm staying towards the top so I get the people that obviously was today, right? All right. 5, 4, 3. Hold on. I'm lost. 2, 1. Oh, I'm going right. I'm going right. All right, Jan Hansen. Jan Hansen, you have won the $100. $100. Jan, if you're in here, if you can just tell me you're in here so I can make sure I actually pick someone that's actually on stream. Send me a... I'm going to follow you, Jan. I'm going to follow you. Send me a message. Send me a message on IG, okay? And so I can get your PayPal information, and I will send you the $100 via PayPal. Like I said. Like I said, guys. I'm going to be doing these every week, right? Every week. So if you got to unfollow me, whatever, do it. It is what it is, guys, but it's not the right human thing to do that. So just remember that in the back of your head. Jan. Who's Jan? You guys aren't Jan, man. All right, Jan. Who's this? Jan Hansen. Here we go. Jan is here. Okay. So you guys can see it's actually a real person. Jan Hansen. I'm here. Jan, when I get off stream, dude, don't tell me your PayPal right now on stream, man. Don't tell me it on stream. You can now message it. I'm off your thing. And then I will send you the $100 super chat. $100 after I get off the stream here. So look out for that, dude. I might do it tonight. I might do it in the morning, but I'll make sure I'll get that to you 100%, man. And that is really that. Also on the Crypto Madness tournament, we actually, it's interesting, we still had 2 teams left, or 2 coins left, but we actually have no one that picked the last 2 coins. So everyone is disqualified, well, not disqualified, but the standings that we have right now are final. We have Chrissek and Algo tied in first. Now, instead of doing the coin flip, they agreed to split the prize 50-50. So $50 is going to go to Chrissek, $50 is going to Algo. So we have a dual champion this time. They decided to do that. So that's awesome. I'll get the $50 to Algo, $50 to Chrissek, and the $100 to my boy in Instagram. Most likely probably will do that in the morning. Just because I'm pretty tired right now and I don't feel like doing it tonight. So I'll catch you guys always. Like I said, long friggin' stream today. Great stream. We see ETH hit all-time highs. We see Bitcoin breaking its resistance. Altcoins going nuts. So I'm thinking tomorrow is going to be a pretty big day. So make sure you guys don't miss out on the stream tomorrow. If you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you guys subscribe. And I'll catch y'all maybe tomorrow. I don't know what I'm saying. Peace out, guys. Have a good night, all right?